What up, chat? Good morning, everyone. Welcome, welcome. Welcome in today. Happy New Day, world. Let me fit. Oh, yeah, W's in the chat. Who we got here? Oh, Gotta Trade is in the house. LeGrand is in the house. Nicholas is in the house. What a name. What up, Louis G? Let's go. Level up. Nigel123 is in the building. Storm Player's in the house. What up, Storm Player? Hey, Tamara. PM Magnifico. What up, Isaac? FX Silverino's in the building. Hey. Rob Trades in the house. What up, Rob? What's good, everyone? What up, Louis G? Sergio TTE Bank Santos in the building. What up, AB Mike? What's up, everyone? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome in, welcome in. If you guys can give the stream a like on your way in here, that'd be awesome. Yeah, if you didn't give yesterday's stream a like, go back and give that one a like. And if you didn't give the one before that a like, go give that one a like too, man. Let's like it up. Let's like it up. What's up, Benjamin? Good morning, Leo Braxton. Eugene FX in the house. What up, Eugene? All right, let's do it. Let's do it. Let me get this. Notice me. Hey, yo, ULFU in the house. All right, let me. Yo, all right, let me send the Zoom link out, and we are rocking and rolling here today. All right, Zoom link has been sent. Let me share my screen with all you guys. All right, good to go. Bring the tools down. All right, lovely, lovely. Yeah, I'm getting the hang of this thing, man. Getting the hang of it. All right. Okay, welcome everyone. Good morning. Good to see you all. We're back for another New York session. I hope you guys had a great day yesterday, and we're going to have an even better one today. No one has to remind me to pray today. Let's go ahead and pray right now. Father in heaven, Lord, we come to you in the name of Jesus. Lord, we ask a blessing over this live stream here today. Lord, I ask a blessing over all that can hear my voice. Lord, I pray that you would do wonders in their life, Lord, and that we will go ahead and march forth in the race that you have called us to run here, Lord. So we thank you for it. We give you all the glory for the blessing. In Jesus' name, amen. All right, let's roll. Let's roll. Yeah, I didn't have to be reminded today. All right. So welcome in, everyone. As you guys settle down, we are going to do a top-down analysis here. We're going to start the day like we start every day, and that is to take a look at what's going on in the news and then go ahead and see how that reflects on the charts. And we're going to plan our day out here, right? We're going to plan our day. We're going to stick to that plan throughout the day, and we'll see what the markets have in store for us. Am I recording? Yes, I am recording. Thank you for that reminder. Yeah, we're recording. We are all set to go. So what do we got here? Today is the 29th here of November. So I believe it's the last day of the month. No, second to last, right? Yeah, one more day here in the month. So this monthly candle is coming to a close, and we're gonna see how we close here, man. So let's take a look at the news. Again, it is the 29th of November. It is a Wednesday, and guess what? It's another opportunity for us. Another opportunity for us to be professionals, do what pros do what successful people and successful traders do, and that is being disciplined, that is being professional, that is sticking to the script. And that's what we're going to do here today, as we do every day. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we have in store here for Wednesday and see where we can anticipate some action, right? So if we look at right now, it is 6 a.m. So we just passed the Euro news, and now it looks like we have 8:30 CAD news and 8:30 USD news here. So we've got a red folder here with the prelims coming out. We're going to get some numbers on that. We also have some orange folders here as well. And then I think we're pretty straight, right? After that, it's just pretty much yellow folders, crude oil inventories. I don't even know what that is. Beige book. Man, we'll have to get Sam the man up here to tell me what that means. But yeah, so nothing too crazy today. We do have news here at 8:30, but other than that, we are pretty solid. So let's go ahead and open up the charts here and take a look at what it is that we got going on. So, oh wow, we did get a closure above there. Oh, nice, wick fill. All right, lovely. So let's go ahead and take a look at the monthly candle, being that we are going to close up on the monthly. You guys ready for a top-down analysis? You guys like the stream? How many likes we got? How many likes? Do we have 300? 300 before the breakdown? Anytime we get 300 before the breakdown, it's whoa. All right, I gotta load up the stream and like it myself, but let's get started here. Let's take a look at the monthly chart here, because the monthly is coming up to a close here in 1 day, right? So we got 2 more New York sessions, or 1 more New York session, and that's it here. So let's go ahead and take a look at where we're at, because we are back, my friends. We are back up top, and we are looking to test these all-time highs here. So this monthly candle is juicing, man. It's juicing. Now, we do have a resistance here that we never closed above, right? So we do have this area here, which again, in 1 day and 10 hours, we're going to find out whether or not this candle right here is going to end up closing above or below, right? And if that candle does close above this area here, then there's a high chance we will come up and retest these highs, right? And if we break them, which we may, you'll probably see a strong push up on gold. Now, again, these are the all-time highs here, right? So this is, we're up in the cloud, right? Some of you guys got things saved onto the cloud. We're up in the cloud here, man. This is the cloud. You see the clouds up here? All-time highs, man. So when we're up in the clouds, it gets a bit tough to trade gold, right? Because we need some rain. You know what I'm saying? We need some rain. We need some sort of retracement back down, so we can create these ranges within here to be able to trade. Otherwise, it gets very difficult when you're looking to the left and there's absolutely nothing, right? So we'll see what happens here, right? We still got 1 day, and then obviously we're going to need a bottom wick on the new candle if we do close above, and we may make some ranges, but I'm telling you, we may get back up to the point where we start breaking these highs and there's literally no data to the left, right? So we've been here before. I've traded this high, I've traded this high, and we've also, as a squad here on the live stream, we've traded the high up here. So we'll see what happens. You know, we'll see what happens. I have a weird feeling that we move up in here and then we close back below this area and trickle down a bit before moving back up. So we'll see about that. Only time will tell. We've got like I said, 1 day and 10 hours here left, so about 34 hours left. So let's go ahead and take a look at the weekly and what's going on with this weekly candle here. So looks like the weekly, oh wow, yeah, this thing is juicing. So we still have no bottom wick on this weekly candle here, right? So will we come down and make one? I don't know. You know, we may not. It's what, Wednesday, so we're halfway through the week here. I think everything looks pretty bullish to me. The one thing about the weekly being that it has no bottom wick, if you go to the daily, you'll notice how the daily closed right at this resistance, right? So you wicked into that level of resistance there, and then we ended up rejecting it, right? So we broke the highs right out the gate yesterday. Never a good sign. Anytime a candle breaks the highs right out the gate, it's never the greatest sign. And then we pushed up into this resistance here at 2051 and just rejected it, and now we're moving bearish, right? So same thing happened here a little bit, is that we kind of pushed up, rejected, and moved down, and you may see the same thing happening here, right? Because if this is a 30-minute time frame here, chat, and we're looking to take a buy, right, on this candle, would that make sense? That probably wouldn't make sense, right? Because we're going to look and we're going to be like, hey, well, we know the best time to buy is off of a support, right? So let's look for the support. No support, no support, no support, no support. Oh, damn. Okay. So maybe we need a retracement, right? Maybe we need some sort of retracement to continue moving up. So if this daily candle does move bearish today, I think there's clean traffic to the left here on the lower time frames, and price is calling for some sort of a pullback here, right? Maybe into this range right here, which is what is this? You have a resistance level right here, 2020, right? You may see candles start to move back down a little bit to try and form some kind of support to move back up. And look, the monthly will probably pull back, right? So if the monthly is going to pull back, there's 2 days left in the month, so that means there should be 2 bearish candles, right? And then if the new monthly needs a bottom wick, then you may see a continued move down here for the next couple days, maybe even the next week or so, and start to get daily fake outs, right? Somewhere in these ranges here where price can create a new support to move back up, right? So something like this, you create that new support, fake out, and then we move back up. Right? What do we know about this? Price came up, created a resistance, could potentially come down, create a support, and then now we know that there's a very high chance that that resistance up here will be retested at some point. Okay? So maybe we see something like that here over the next couple days. That would make sense due to the higher time frames, due to the monthly close, due to this daily rejection. So now we are bullish on the day based off of the previous daily candle, but we're going to be open for both buys and sells today based off of that information that we just collected here on the daily time frame, so, and the weekly. So let's go ahead and take a look at the 4 hour and let's see how we can find positions today, right? So 4 hours moving down on this bullish day. You have a resistance that was formed, and now it looks like you have a very strong bearish closure. This 4 hour candle is about halfway through, and we haven't really done anything. We understand that we have a clean move down to 2014 down here, and that is going to be your nearest level of support. So let's go ahead and take a look and make sense of all this on the 1 hour and the 30 minutes so we can see how we can find positions today. So looking at the 30-minute time frame, there was a support right here, and now there is a move back up, but the candle closed at no top wick on the 1 hour. So I was looking at this zone for the 30-minute time frame, expecting a potential move up into this range up here for a retracement, right? Clean traffic moving up, but it looks like we filled the wick and then closed with no top wick here. So let's go ahead and reevaluate. So what does this look like? So 1 hour chart could potentially be a fake out for price to continue coming down here. So you had a support there, you closed back above it, we closed with no top wick. This candle has opened up with no top wick as well and is moving down. So I think NY open is going to be our play here today. Yeah, 30-minute is trying to find something too, but you know, you have that support there. I think I'm going to leave mine on the 1 hour time frame here and wait for NY open, right? Because if we can get this resistance here for NY open, then there's a possibility that we can anticipate this daily candle moving down and beginning to break its own low again, right, for NY open, and then start driving down here today. There's a really, really clean move that we could take advantage of, the retracement of that move, if price does decide to break the lows and continue down today. So let's go back to the daily real quick. Daily is, let's go ahead and take a look at that low. And I believe that is, yeah, that's that wick right there. So yeah, I think if you can get a closure below, you should be able to fill that wick, right? And if we're going to fill that wick during high times of volume, we're most likely going to continue driving, right? If we break this daily low after that rejection there. So you move all the way up, reject, you struggle, you move down, and then you start breaking that low again. You'll most likely see a very strong push coming down into, according to the 30-minute time frame, this support level here at what is this, 2025. So yeah, so that's what I'm going to look for here today. I think buys are pretty clean if we get back above 42 here. So I'm going to label this here as a no trade range. So not going to touch anything as of right now. This may change. This is a decent range that we can probably change up if all things line up for us. It's about a 58 pip range. Buys may be clean right above here as well. So I'm going to keep it right here for now. And if we do decide to change this when there's volume coming in, then I think this wouldn't be a bad idea to take buys as well, right? Above this range here. You got clean traffic to the left. Let's go ahead and measure that. That's about a 25 pip move. and you got about like a 60-70 pip move up to 2047 here today. So that is that's what I'm going to look at here for gold. So just going to keep things, yeah, probably just going to keep it like this for now, and I'll adjust if I need to. So going to look for buys above 2042 811, and then I'm going to look for sells below 2030. I don't need a range 2. We've already gotten that. If we do close below now, there is a clean move coming down. I do want to take advantage of this clean traffic today if price allows me to. Right, this is the zone right here that you want to trade in. Up top is really nice, but take into consideration everything we talked about this daily candle potentially rejecting here today. So again, we are open for buys and sells. At this point, I'm going to stay away from this zone right here. Not going to really touch anything in this area, but anything above is pretty clean to trade in this zone here, and then anything below is pretty solid here as well. So just going to stay out of the red zone here today. And, oh, that might change. But for now, going to stay out of the red zone. May look to take positions there, but nothing right here right now. And that's it. Yeah, that's it. Going to stay away. And going to work in here. Yeah, going to look to work in here today. This is where my money's sitting today, in these ranges. And this is where probably I may be sad in that range. Yeah. So that's it, man. This is the day on gold today. TK's in the house. Shout out to TK. Congratulations. Passing your FTMO phase 1. Done deal. Just the beginning for you, bro. Just the beginning for all of you guys. Really. It really is. Yes, sir. It's good to see another Time to Eat member continue on in their journey, hitting new achievements, get to new levels. This is what we're about, man. This is what we want to see. This is what we represent, is leveling up, right? Leveling up and not being soft, right? And trying to level up in 2 days or 2 weeks, but taking time to level your life up. That's how it goes down. For those that aren't patient, you ain't gonna make it. Right, but for those who are willing to commit and do the work that it takes, you're going to succeed here. I promise you that. I promise you. Yep. Most of the time, it's not that you suck at trading. It's just that your expectations are off. You are fooled by the facade of whatever people post on Twitter and social media, and you know, we show the highlight reel, right? That's what social media is. No one's going to show you their down moments, right? So you've got to understand, you can't compare yourself to people. You know, a lot of times you'll think that, man, that guy's doing so much better than me, but at the end of the day, you're probably doing better than them. Right? So just run your race, man. Just run your race. Don't ever get discouraged about people who have more than you, because look gang, at the end of the day, those who have more than you will also have to account for what they have, right? So you may not want you may not want to account for that. Update the monthly record after yesterday's W. No, we're not. So the signals, so we don't update the record for any, that's just the stream record. Maybe next year what we'll do is we'll put all the trades. So we'll put the trades that I take off stream and the trades that I take on stream. But this year we just decided to just leave that on the stream, leave that for the stream record. So we did take a nice W yesterday. Shout out to TK, passed his challenge on that trade, I believe. We did take a buy right here off of the 15-minute chart. Oh, let me get rid of all this. Yeah, let me get rid of this. So we did take a buy. We had a celery play after this consolidation there, and took buys right here. Stops are kept below the low, and yeah, TP was somewhere up here. Forget where, but I think TK just held till he passed the challenge. Savage. Yeah, but it was a perfect opportunity, you know, gang, and that's what that's patience, right? Like, this was our session throughout the live stream. We couldn't get in on any of these positions here, right? Because as you guys know, like, we had our ranges marked off, right? And it looked like this. So we had, you know, resistance and support, and you know, we had this candle close, right? Let's walk through this candle by candle. So we were looking for buys above here, sells below here. You got a candle to close, very strong bullish, but not above, and it also closed with no top wick. And then this is the 15-minute chart, by the way. So this was 8:15. This was now 8:30, which obviously we would love to be a part of 8:30, but we couldn't take a buy at support with no top wick, so we had to let this one go. This next candle was pretty decent, but this was 8:45, and as you guys know, I never trade the 8:45 candle, especially when the 4 hour looks like this, because typically that 8:45 candle will be a pullback candle for the 4 hour. So definitely wasn't touching that one. This was your 9 a.m. This was your 9:15, 9:30. We started consolidating, so we didn't get any shot here, right? We didn't get any shot, but what did price do? After it pushed up, we started to run out of gas. So what did we need to do? We needed to fuel up. How do we fuel up? We consolidate, right? We consolidate for a little bit. We get some fuel in the tank. And then what happened was this candle now closed above, very strong bullish, but I didn't want to take that because way too overextended. Waited for this candle to close. Beautiful celery play. Entry was on the break of the highs here, and price just moved up very, very nicely. So that was it. You know, that was the trade. Price ended up driving there. So yeah, big W. Big W. Big W. Yeah, I think that ran like 180 pips. Yeah, I closed full. I was a little busy, so I closed full, I think right here. 35 pips. And then yeah, we ended up moving, man. We ended up moving. So yeah, nice trade there. Nice trade. Patient, right? Nice patient trade. We waited all session for that thing. And we didn't get it where we wanted it, but we got it in the next best spot, right? The next best opportunity that we had. All right, cool. So let me just dress these lines up here real quick. So we got sells below 2037, 540, and we have buys above 2042. Yeah. Oh, 180. Yeah, that's solid. Another one. Another TTE trader leveling up. Leveling up. Telling you, we're breeding champions here, man. We're breeding champions that know why they're doing it too, right? That's the key. That's the key. Why are you doing this? Great trade, closed 40 pips. Very beautiful, beautiful. Honestly, I was a bit busy when I took that trade, so I had like 17 pips. I told myself anywhere 15 pips, I'm gonna close partials. And once we got there, I just closed most of it and let the rest run. And then I had to get off the desk. I was like, boink, close full. Shay was checking them pips out, huh? She don't even check you out no more. She don't move, TK. I want to see how many pips you up. Let me see that MT5. Let me see that Magic Keys pip counter. I'm new to the channel. How you doing, man? Welcome, welcome. Oh, nice job, Pablo. Nice, nice. I thought a celery was a bearish candle. No, so let me clear that up, because we always say, like, so a lot of times we draw it like that, but so a lot of times whenever we draw a celery play, it looks something like this because we just draw it nice and pretty and, you know, the perfect little way that it should look. I mean, this is the perfect way, right? But this candle here, this red candle that we like to enter off the break of the highs on, this red candle can be bullish or bearish. As you see here, it was bullish. It's the same concept though, right? Same exact concept, just all bullish candles, right? So you got this one, and then you get a little candle like this. That is also a celery play, just so you guys are clear about that. And your entry will be on the break of the highs. Sometimes this wick is a bit steeper, And your entry would just be on the break of the highs for price to move up. Very similar to this. Yeah. Yeah, it's tricky. It's tricky. So if you're just learning about the celery and just learning the playbook, don't even stress yourself out about that one. But look, hey, now you learned, right? You got an opportunity to learn. So give yourself a high five for that. Pumped up. Pump it up. Good morning, inspire your soul. Inspire your soul. Got 80 pips. Nice. Let's go. Yeah, what was cool is I had a lot of people message me and they say, yo, I wasn't I wasn't paying attention, or you weren't on stream at the time, but I took the same trade as you. Boom. That right there is music to my ears. I mean, that's one of the reasons I'm showing up here every day, right? Is to just give these basic, simple concepts to traders, you know, so you don't have to complicate this thing anymore. Yeah, trading can be very simple. Very simple. Are you does that mean you win every trade? No. But it means that trading could be very simple on your mental, right? On your psyche, if you allow it to be. Did you trade yesterday? Yes, I did. Yesterday we joined the stream and there were some trades running on your dashboard. What was that? What do you mean? Trades running? I think you're talking about the history. I think you mean the history of my MT5. Right? Yo, I got 900 pips. KKK. Can you see my entries in London this morning for sells? I saw a seller play. Oh, where at? What time? What time was that, Dominic? Let's take a look. Or did you post it in the Discord? If not, just tell me the time and I'll take a look here. Was it 4 a.m. Eastern? Four a.m. Blader. Good morning, Charles. Good morning, Foster. How you doing? I thought I was gambling yesterday. Hey, man, life's a gamble. Did you guys get your meditation in this morning? Get your push-ups done? Oh, maybe got them push-ups in or what? Oh, it's in the Discord. Let's take a look. Charts for stream or maybe London. Oh yeah, this was a nice trade too. In charts for stream, Jay Moore here. This was perfect. This was a NASDAQ trade. Closure above. He closed with when a candle closed and no top wick. Lovely, dude. I don't know if you're on here, but very nice trade. Oh, closed 90% with no top wick. Yeah, lovely. Dominic, where's Dominic's trade? Hold on. Yeah, if you can, post it in charts for stream. And we'll take a look at it. Yes, for meditation. But what about the push-ups? How's your Wednesday going? Oh, man, incredible. Incredible. How's your Wednesday going? I mean, you know, it's still early for me, 7:30 a.m., so I went on an awesome walk. It's getting pretty cold here in Florida as we cruise into December, man. It was like 40, and you know, I'm from the Northeast, so I can't believe I'm actually saying this, but it was only like 48 today, and I was chilly. It was cold, but it felt good to breathe that fresh air in and nice cool air, and it was awesome. 2:30 London trade today. I entered on the flip. 2:30. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Yeah, closure below there, right? Let's take a look. Oh, my bad. Closure below 2:30, you said, right? Yeah, nice. Did you close partials or you let it run? Yeah, I'm trying to find that 15 celery. I don't know if it was this. That's more like a... Yeah, I'm not too sure. What's the probability candle have wicks again? Typically like 80, 85%. Hey, Green. Let's see here. Hey, we'll have to start doing push-ups. So when we close partials, however many pips we close, we'll bang out some push-ups. It was a 30-minute and a 1-hour celery. Yeah, this is the only celery I think I see here. Would be the break of the low. I think it was on the 32 here. So 4 a.m. Yeah. That's probably it for me. So yeah, so now we're just so the 4-hour did close bearish as well here. So we need to kind of see how things start forming here on the 30-minute, what we start doing in this range here. So this is why I'm not really excited about trading like this move, right? This move right here. It's just very choppy overall right here. So even if we could just drag it down the whole way, it's a nice no trade range, right? It's a nice range to stay out of for price to actually give you a direction. You know, if we have our ranges right up here, then, you know, price could just pop up, fake us out or whatever. So just going to probably leave this range, you know, and not touch it here today. Hey, yo, Andrew Tater Tot. What up, Andrew Tater Tot? Andrew Tate or Tot? Andrew Tater Tot's in the house. What up, Andrew Tater Tot? Let's take a look at pound yen here real quick. Sorry, I forgot to do GJ here. So GJ, let's take a look at the weekly time frame and let's go ahead and look at the monthly. Monthly's obviously bullish. We are trying to see if we can close above resistance here. If we can do that, then you got a nice clean move coming up. There's a high chance that we can do that too. We're very, very bullish, just like gold on the 30-minute or 15-minute time frame, right? We moved up, we consolidated, and then you blast it off again, right? So potential move up here, you know, depending on how the monthly closes in like 2 days. You'll most likely see a continued push, right? It's been an all-out bullish rally here on pound yen since the beginning of the year. This is our January candle, February, March, April, so on and so forth, and we've just been pushing up here. So weekly time frame is pretty bullish as well. Looks like we did close above this level of resistance. Yeah, we did close above there. Daily candles are moving down. So, but what does this look like to you? Right? If we can close bullish here today, I think tomorrow you have a really, really high chance of coming up to create a support. We are moving very, very bullish right now. Let's see what that looks like on the 4 hour. So 4 hour has created a support, and it looks like we're trying to move up to retest this resistance here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the 1 hour here. 1 hour is bit choppy, right? Bit choppy on the way up. I think, yeah, what size is this range here? 30 pip range. It's not really the greatest. And we also are bearish based off of the previous daily candle. So yeah, I think maybe like range 2 buys above here. Yeah, range 2 buys above there, and then you have pretty clean sells now coming down. It looks like those sells played out yesterday on GJ also, right? Where was that? Right here. Yeah, this was after the stream. Remember we were debating. I didn't really like it anyway, but yeah, you're just stuck in this 30-minute range here now. So if you can get range 2 buys above 187.447, that'll be pretty solid. Range 2 buys, or we could take sells coming down below 187.227. 187. Oh, there's commotion. Andrew Tate taught. Man said he can't handle breathing. Yo, that was a funny video. Dude said man can't handle breathing. All right, yeah, we're just stumbling here on gold. We're going to be sitting tight for the NY Open here. I think if this candle here, right, can actually close bearish, forming a resistance, then man, what's the chance that we move down at 8 a.m. right? If you close respect this high here, respect this high up here, close bearish, the next candle at NY Open should drive down to retest that resistance there, potentially even close below. And then if you do close below 830, then should fill this wick, right? It should fill that wick there, and you may see 30-minute candles look something like this, and then obviously just a 1 hour bleeder. So I know we have news here at 8:30 today as well, but we'll see about this. We'll check it out. You can't seem to handle air. We got Sam. Is Sam Capital here? Sammy Capital. Where are you? Clip that, bro. We need to get that clipped. When the Quakers come in, we'll send them out. Can't handle air. There he is. Sam Capital's here. Do. Oh wow, this actually doesn't look bad on the 15-minute here to move up, but I'm gonna wait on the 30 here. Yeah, we close a no top wick, and then we close weak doji rejection. So it looks like we made a support on the 15, but I'm not gonna base a trade here off the 15 20 minutes before NY Open. So I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna wait on this candle here, and that also gives us an hour close as well. So yeah, decision made. Court adjourned. $1K likes. 1K likes. Let's go. Do we really have 1K? No. No, I don't think so. Do we? No. 407. Holy. That ain't nowhere near 1K. Those are rookie numbers, chat. Get those numbers up. Those are rookie numbers. Yeah, because those likes, those represent you, not me. Those represent you. So it's only 448 warriors and champions in here, huh? Hey, by the way, gang, if you're not in our free Discord, you're more than welcome to join our free Discord here. We got a awesome community growing. Let's take a look. Is this a valid celery play? Yeah, closure below the range, break of the lows. Yeah, that's not a bad idea right there. Clean traffic to the left. I'm assuming we have a... Is that on gold here today, or is that on... What is this? Looks like gold to me. Oh, here's the play. Yeah, okay, yeah, that was the one I was thinking about too. Yeah, that was nice. Very nice. Nice job, Dominic. Sweet. Oh, nice. Still learning, but come a long way since April. Oh, wow. Jay Moore. Since April. Nice, nice. Yeah, if you guys have been here since April, you should really be starting to get the hang of things. You know, there's nothing really special. You know, we show up here, we basically do the same thing every single day. We come with the same mindset every day. Nothing really switches. We just pull up, do our job, and call it a day, right? So as you guys continue to see the same things over and over again, you will get the hang of it, you know? Will you hang in, though, for the long run, right? Will you hang in so that it actually starts to work for you? Success takes time, man. Takes time. Yeah, if there was one thing I would really want people to know about success is it takes time. It really does. I see so many great people and they just quit, man. They just fall short once or twice and they just let it go. They go back to security, you know. But when you're building and when you're creating and becoming, there's really no like security or certainty in the game, you know. It's just every day's a new day to fight some new challenges, get over some new obstacles, so that way you can get further and further along. Yeah, see that 15-minute did create that support. Wow. Yeah, I was talking to my mentor last night and we were going over some stuff, and you know, he made me emotional because he was like, you know, I still remember the day when you said, when I asked you why you're doing this, why do you want to be successful? And you know what I told him? I just told him, man, I honestly just never want to hear the words, we can't afford it anymore. Right? I didn't want to look at my wife and look at my daughter and my kids and be like, we can't afford that, you know? We're not able to do that. Or when family needed some help or friends needed some help, you know, I wanted to be the guy to be like, yo, you know, we got you covered, you know, we got you. So give things time, man. This is a decade for me, and you know, 10 years in, and it's just beginning, right? It's just beginning to cook. So not saying it has to take that long for you, but it's well worth it, man. I do it 100 times over again. Yeah, Vortex FX. That's so true. So true. Yeah, how many guys just want to hear the word? How many guys just never want to say the words, we can't afford it anymore? Right? Your kids come up to you, man, and you just want to. How many men just want to say yes a little bit more? Or take care of the bills a little bit more. Take care of the dinner tabs when you're out to dinner. Everywhere you go, you give the waiter a big tip, big boy tip. Waiter, waitress. Yeah, man. Women do too. Yeah, women do too. Yeah, I just wanted to be able to provide a life where my wife can roll over instead of roll out. Right? Early in the morning when it's cold. You guys know what I'm talking about. Early in the morning on those cold days when you got to wake up and rush out and go to work and do all that stuff. I just wanted my wife to be able to roll over, put her little toe outside the blanket, detect what the temperature is, and then just get it back under the blanket and just roll back over and go to bed, man. That was the dream, you know. That was what fired me up early on in my journey, and you know, we made that happen, right, by God's grace, which is incredible. And now we continue to level up and continue to go to new levels of freedom and and focus on helping other people, you know. Yeah, I see how good it is, and I want my friends to experience. I want you guys to experience. You know, I want my buddies like Green and all these guys to really experience an incredible life, and I know it can get done through this vehicle or this vehicle, right? All this is a vehicle to get you to where you want to be. Let's get it. 11th hour. You're being called. You're being called to step up, step in. Let's see what's going to happen on the 15 here. So look, we closed. We did fill that wick for about 10 pips. I want to see how this hour candle closes in 13 minutes. Broke 30 highs here as well. Daily candle flipping bullish here. Trying to go back to the bullish. Yeah, man, I don't know. That stuff gets me emotional, man. Freedom gets me emotional. The dream. Man, my wife used to work at a bank, and at nighttime when I was done building my network marketing business, I'd go and sit in the bank parking lot, and I would visualize all the people on my team, everyone that I was working with. I visualized them all in that parking lot, and my wife's last day of work. And just setting up an alarm clock and giving her a sledgehammer and just smashing that thing, man. Smashing that. Yeah, we got it done. Good morning, Henry. What's up, bro? Yeah, help your family, all that. Yeah, parents, man. My parents, if I don't go out and win and be successful at the highest level, I've got great parents, but they might be eating cat food if I don't get the job done, man. There comes a point where you mature and you sell out to something bigger than you, right? You just sell out to something bigger than you, like your family or your calling or your purpose, whatever it is. It's much bigger than you, right? And that's how you get yourself motivated, get yourself up every day, get yourself into those daily success habits and rituals, and just stay process focused. TTE wives about to yeah, and we're encouraging, yeah, man, it is true, because our wives are important, and that's one thing I want to do is encourage men to freaking step up and get the job done, man. Yeah. News at 8:30? Yeah. Yep. News at 8:30 today. Interesting move up here on the 15. Cool. Put my little toe. Put your big toe out and just scan the temperature of the room. Like, ooh, nah, it's too cold out there. I'm going back to bed. Yeah, man, that was the dream. That was the dream. I've always been motivated by freedom, by just owning my life, owning my own time. I could care less about the money as long as I had enough money to do what I needed to do. And I'm not a, you know, you guys see me rocking t-shirts, right? Most days, and you know, hoodies and stuff. So I don't need nothing too crazy. The main thing I needed was my freedom. My first job, I was working in a restaurant. It was a wedding catering company. Yeah, wedding catering business. And yeah, I was washing dishes and all that stuff. That was when I was 14 or 15. And in that moment, I knew that was not for me. I wasn't going to work jobs the rest of my life. Almost every job I ever had, I hated. Yeah, I never had a career path. I was typically that kid who kind of bounced from job to job. Always had side hustles. That's funny. Gotta have them side hustles, mate. Yeah, money has never really been my goal. Obviously, money is a tool, so the more tools I have, the better. Right, but money was never the driving factor. It was always freedom. It was always to do. Basically, my goal was to have 6 Saturdays and a Sunday for the rest of my life, to do what I want, when I want, where I want, with who I want, for as long as I want, because I can. Right, because I've got time, I've got money, and I can move about how I want to move. That was always the vision for me. Didn't want nobody telling me what to do. Yeah, I'd literally rather make 60 grand a year and have all the time to myself than 160 grand a year and be a slave to a job. That's just me. Was I active on Discord yesterday? Yeah. We do a little Discord. We do a little Discord. We have quite simple and similar dreams as, yeah, you know what? Most people, they just want that, right? What would an extra 50 grand a year do for you and your family? I mean, we're not talking about millions of dollars here, right? What would an extra 50K a year do? If you just did this outside of your income, outside of your job, what could an extra 50K do for you? We're not even talking about quitting jobs yet. Oh, Sam Capital's in the house. $160K and $60K a year is a huge difference. Yeah, huge time commitment too. Huge time difference. Huge. Someone's going to have rule over your life. For me, it was never worth it. But for some people, you know, they need it. It's worth it for them. Hold on, Sam, don't speak yet. Let me lower the music or the sound. What up, Sammy boy?
What up, Nick? What's going on, brother?
Everything, man. How you doing?
I'm feeling blessed. Blessed and highly favored. I'm still on it today.
Oh, yeah.
Stand on it today. I will say it. And I'm also feeling brick.
Man was crunching on that grass.
Yo, the grass is frozen over here. What up, chat? What up? How you doing? What up, Sergio? What up, Classic? What up, Christopher? Yo, the one. Vortex. Oh, what up, Sandman? What up, Silverio? True. Yeah. 2024 will be exciting.
Oi.
Andrew Tater Tot. Bink, bink. What up, boys? What up, ladies and gentlemen? Who's ready to sit here and wait for a setup?
Set it up. You want me to turn Sam's mic up a little bit? All right, one sec.
PK says my audio is great.
We'll turn him up a little bit. Turn up. Turn up. Great job in the boot camp, Sam. Yeah, Sam did a phenomenal job in the boot camp, man. Phenomenal.
Yeah, I think it was
Holy.
when we were on day 3. Does anybody remember? It was whenever you were like talking about, and I was like, all right, this is how I see these candles and this and that before, and we were talking about Tuesday. That was gonna be a nice juice.
Yeah, you're right. And we did juice up.
So
Yep.
that was cool to see.
We joust. Sam for president.
Yeah, let's see what happens here today with GDP. They're expecting an increase, so that would be good for the dollar. If that actually happens, we'll see if gold comes down here today. We'll see. Sam Trump. Yo.
Sam Trump.
Yo, have you ever seen Trump's son though? Like his youngest one?
Oh yeah.
He's got swag.
Barron.
He knows he's him. I think as
The boy Barron.
Yeah.
The last president.
He knows he's got it, bro.
he's got swag. Yo, nah, honestly, one of the most top G things I've seen in a long time was Trump pulling up to the UFC fight the other night like a boss. Like a boss. Dude, his son was behind him. Not the young kid. I think his son Donald or whatever. Bro, I'm just thinking, man, this guy probably thinks his dad is such a G. Because he is, honestly. Yo, this dude came in with Dana, Kid Rock. Oh my god. I was like, yo, that's some boss. That's some boss moves right there.
Yeah, that is awesome. Yeah, shout out to Trump. Shout out Trump.
Trump, you gonna make
Can you
these
tell-
markets run again or what?
Can I tell Biden not to shout? What is wrong with this guy? Yeah, I don't know if you hear me, bro.
Yeah, that was big boss status, man. Hey Nick, on the next boot camp, will you be able to share past boot camp for those who couldn't be in? Yes. We'll go over a lot of the concepts that we talked about, and it'll be good because we'll be a couple months out. So I think we'll do the next boot camp at some point in February. Yeah, probably February. So we'll get all that together and let you guys know as soon as we got it all figured out. By the way, before you guys ask, the boot camp recordings will be sent out here tomorrow and Friday. Yeah, for those wondering, tomorrow and Friday.
Yeah, I can't wait to go back through it.
Oh, Big Trumpy?
I'll
Yeah.
rewatch some of it.
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little
What's the
trolling.
difference between the preliminary GDP and just GDP? So there's actually 3 of them. So you have your advanced, that's the first one that comes out. You have your preliminary, that's the second. And then your final is the very last. And it's just like the first one is like an anticipation, right? But usually that one usually actually has the most impact on the market, right? Because markets move based off of expectation and anticipation. So it's like the same thing as if like Jerome were to come out here and say tomorrow, hey, we're gonna be cutting the rates in 2024, then you would see like gold start flying, stocks start flying, right on the based on the anticipation of that actually happening. But yeah, that's the difference between them. Sam's mic is low, is it? Is it?
Nah, I don't think it's your
Is
mic.
it low or is
I
it
think-
perfect? So it's alright. Cool. What up, Green?
It's aight. It's aight. You know, what up, Green? What up, all the mods in the house? Oh, what up? Hey, Johnny Stew's in the building. What up, Johnny Stew? Let's pull him up here. Oh,
What up, Johnny boy?
Johnny Stew. Johnny Stew in the all white today. What is it, an all white party in London or something? What's going on here? Did I miss something?
Make a poll vote about
Oh.
Mike? Ain't that serious?
About what?
About my mic.
Hey, yeah, chat. Let's set up a poll. Does Sam's mic sound good or is it chalked?
Yeah, ain't that serious?
What up, John?
What's good, boys? How you guys doing?
Great, man. Doing great.
Wonderful, bro.
How you doing?
brother?
Freaking amazing, man. Highly blessed and highly favored.
Oh, you too?
Hell yeah, man.
Let's go.
Hmm.
Grateful, man. Grateful for another day.
That's all I like to hear.
There.
You catching on, chat? You catching this? Association is everything, man. Who you associate with, you will become. All right, you
That's
catching on? You hearing? You notice how you didn't hear blessed and highly favored too much, and now all of a sudden you hear it. You hear it from these guys. You hear it in the chat. Yeah, man, it's contagious.
You got a point. You got a point.
Yeah, amen.
Drew?
Morning, chat. What's up? What's up?
What's up? Were you in London today?
Happy Wednesday. I was, yes.
Oh, nice. How'd that go?
It was good. We took no trades.
Anything? No, nothing.
Nah, nothing. Nothing. Did not take those sells. Was waiting for a range 2. We were bullish for the day, so.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
Yeah. Sir. Yo, Brick in here. Not gonna lie.
Yo, bro, freezing today. Dude, I went outside earlier. I was like, holy. Damn.
Wait, what? What
But-
is it? Like 40 something?
Yeah, but then Sam sent me a video, and it was 19 degrees in his video, and the grass was crunchy. So you already know what time it is when that crunchy
Oh,
grass
damn.
hits. Yo, when
Yo,
that crunchy,
facts.
when the grass gets crunchy, you already know what time it is.
Yeah,
I
you're
was like,
screwed.
I'm gonna be outside, but it ain't gonna be for long.
You're screwed when you see that happening.
Yeah.
For real.
Dude, I was waiting for it though. It's almost December, and this is the first like cold day. Maybe there might have been like one other day.
Yeah.
This is the first one where I can always say
Chilly.
cold.
Facts. Start to expect it now. I mean,
Yeah, you remember me like 2 weeks ago? I was like, it honestly feels like kind of good. Yeah, not anymore.
yeah, you don't stay anymore.
Nah,
I'm the same way, bro.
You guys remember when I was in New York? That was like what? Like over, what was that? Like almost 2 months ago now? It was already time to skate out of there, man. I was already getting cold.
Yeah, sheesh.
I'm done with the cold, man. Oh,
Not for
snap.
good, but multiple days, I ain't with it.
Yeah, at least it's bearable. 48's bearable, you know? It's not like you're rushing in and blasting the heat on. You guys ever get so cold, you just like, you start screaming in your car? You're like, damn, this should be illegal right now.
Yeah, like today it was so cold. It was like one of those days where you come in and it's like when your fingers are like unthawing with the heat, like it's like it like almost hurts.
It burns. It's like,
Yeah,
ah.
exactly. Yeah,
Facts.
Oh, yeah.
yeah that's what
Not
it's like
for real.
today.
Oh,
18
yeah.
Celsius here. Where are you at, Sergio? It's like negative 9
Sheesh.
Celsius, I think is what it is.
Sergio, what up, Green? What up,
Might be a
Yanosh? What's up, Classic
Greenery.
Trader? What up, Shiro? What up, Z Gamer? There the mods are. Shout out to all the mods. TK. Yeah.
What up, mods?
What up, everybody?
What up, mods?
LeGrand. It's definitely brick up here. Yeah.
What up, George?
Turning my heat on for the first time.
Hey, George
Since,
VDM in the
being here.
house. Yeah, same. George VDM, Big George. Yeah, I'd take a cold bath or ice bath any day over some consistent freezing weather.
Yeah,
I want to get in and out.
It's true.
Yo, I'm pretty sure I drove by like a little lake too this morning.
Mm.
Like probably like just like a little pond, honestly. But bro, it was frozen over too. And I was like, man, imagine jumping in that and doing like a cold plunge.
Oh, yeah,
Honestly, I
man.
would if there was somewhere immediately warm
To dry
go to
off and
after.
stuff. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
it's
yeah.
like I would have to like drive like another like probably like 10, 15, get back to my crib. Nah.
Yeah.
Soaking wet in your
You'd have
car.
to take the worst drive home of your life.
Yeah, I have pneumonia by the time I get back.
Man,
Shivering the whole
Rafi
way
told me
there.
to do this ice bath. Now I'm in the hospital. Oh, nah, it's all about that breath. You can regulate your own temperature. Gotta breathe.
That
Wim
Wim Hof.
Hey.
Yeah, Wim Hof, man, that dude like hiking up mountains barefoot
Yeah,
in the
dude's-
cold,
dude's
in
going
the
up
snow.
Mount Everest, like borderline butt naked.
For real.
Like a
Yeah,
Chad.
seriously.
Yo, facts, bro. He's like, just control your breath.
Yeah, he's like, y'all are cold.
He has like this whole like frozen room on his property, and he just goes in
He's
it
awesome.
and just walks around in circles, just walks circles.
Beast.
Savage.
Yeah, dude, he's different.
Different. Wow, Nasdaq just running here.
I've
Yeah,
seen that.
we're coming to fill this wick.
Oh wow.
That's what's going on here. This wick was formed the other day. Remember that? On the 23rd, 22nd? Yeah. Yeah, we're coming up to fill that wick there now. 4 hour celery, blast off. Nice. Hey, what up, Ben? How you doing? What's good? Oh, Janosha's in Germany? Ooh, it's probably cold in Germany. AB Mike about to hit a sniper. Bink. Right when the wick gets filled. Not a bad idea. Strategy. Wow, yeah. Yeah, wick should get filled here. Price moving on up. All right, NY Open is trying to create a resistance here in this area, so we're just gonna sit tight, wait, and let some candles print. 15 struggling. 30-minute close right at resistance. Same with the 1 hour. So yeah, just wait. Just gotta wait. New York strip. Yeah, I'm gonna have a New York strip today.
Man, it's chilling.
Oh yeah, I got picked up a nice New York strip. Oh yeah, the wick fill. I forgot. New York strip wick fill. B water, my friend. Yeah, pretty much. That's what it's looking like here today. If we would have had this, so if this candle here could have closed like resistance, then there may have been a trade for NY Open, but we didn't get that, right? Or if this candle, let's say, so if this candle would have closed bearish, then we may have been able to say, okay, you know, let's take our sells and you know, in hopes to retest that support there at NY Open, but we closed bullish, right? So no trade there. Now, if that bullish candle would have closed something like this, then there may have been an opportunity, but I don't think so. But this was the range that we would look to take the buys in. So we didn't really get anything that we want to see just yet. So yeah, looking like more so like 9.15. How does it feel to have a third kid pretty soon? Busy. Yeah, busy. Yeah, it's gonna be. We're outnumbered. We're outnumbered now. So
Man's
it should be awesome though. It should be great. We're all
I know
about
you're ready for it, bro.
building teams here. We do some team building.
I know you're gonna kill it, dog.
Yeah, it feels good though. Feels good. Third kid, third child. Three kids in 3 years. Bang, 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 bang. Oh, nice, Ben. Good to hear that, Meng. My fam has an all-natural cattle ranch. Oh, wow. Where's that? I would love to be on that farm. GG. What up, hero of the day? Good morning. How much pips for the New York strip? I don't even think we paid a pip.
Bro.
Yo, we got the Stewart trading floor coming up, baby Mike. We're gonna have all these kids trading. I'm gonna teach my kids trading like a video game. You know? It's like, hey, you wanna play this game over here?
Might as well.
You see the catch up? When the catch up moves down like that, and then I don't know, you know, something. I actually do want to figure out a way where we can impact the youth and teach them financial literacy and teach them how to trade, and give it to them in kids form, right? So they can bite-sized pieces so kids could handle it and understand it, right? So somehow make it so where kids can kind of understand.
You have to do it like the. We don't have to, but I'm saying that like, you ever seen those like cubes where you get the, like, you gotta have the triangle to fit in here? Look, this is the only setup where you can put a triangle in.
Can you remember this setup right here? Just like I told the guys and girls in the boot camp, you know, you got these 3 setups. Can you master them? Can you pick them out in the crowd and take your trades? If you can master those 3, then I think you'll be pretty good. Grass fed is the way. Yeah, I only eat grass fed beef now.
Yeah, same. It tastes better too, to be honest. I'm not gonna
It's
lie.
tasty. Alea would say,
Nice.
it's tasty. That's her new thing. She goes, it's tasty.
I love that.
It's tasty. Oh
Nah,
man.
bro. Yo,
She goes,
Leia's been hilarious.
yo. So Alea is 2 over like she's like 2.5, and she's starting to talk and stuff, and she goes up to your food. She goes, smell good, smell good. It's tasty. She goes, it's tasty.
She's
Oh
awesome.
man. Now, like, we take a picture, or if there's a picture of me and her, she goes, Daddy and Lele. Daddy and Lele.
Yeah, for real. That was
can't-
so funny.
Yeah, man.
That is awesome.
The best, man. The best. Hey, dads and moms out there, how cool is it when your little one runs over, Mommy, Daddy, look, look, look. Oh, my God. I mean, come on. Come on. Does it get better than that?
Bro. You're giving people baby fever.
Trading for kids made better by Nick Stu. Yeah, there you go.
Nice.
Oh,
I just
yeah,
started
man.
trading you. Wait, we already did.
What'd you say?
No, never mind.
You broke. I couldn't hear you. Were breaking up.
I said start a trade university, but you already
Yeah.
did.
Oh yeah, that's true. Yo, AB Mike getting that fever. She's looking for that ring, dude.
Baby Mike, bro, you got this. Got a ring on it.
I can't even find a girlfriend. Oh man, don't worry. Patience, patience. Some of you guys are like, why are they talking about these damn kids, man? Yo, I'm telling you. I'm telling you, man, when I was in my early 20s and I'd hear my mentors talking about these kids, I'm like, why are they talking about these kids, man? But, oh my God, everything that they said just stuck with me, bro.
Kids are blessings. Beautiful. Beautiful blessings.
All right, we're working on this potential resistance here. Maybe, maybe not. So yeah, 815 has closed. We did close bearish here at 815. So I'm not going to touch this just yet because we've got a rejection. We're bullish on the 30. We're bullish on the 1 hour. 4 hour is, you know, confused a little bit. So yeah, just going to wait on the news here.
News always get in the way, man.
Dang news. Hey, we may still be able to get positions at 8:30 if we get all we want, right? Top and bottom wicks, a little bit of time to get a trade in, right? For spread to go down a little, and yeah.
Yeah, if it doesn't print right off the rip, this news event today shouldn't be like a crazy one.
Yeah.
But if it prints, it prints. Gone.
Yeah, it's true. Make the most of your kids. They'll be 16 in no time. Yeah, honestly, gang, that's why freedom really rocks me, right? Because being able to be there with them every day. I mean, I've been able to see all the first, right? The first this, the first that. Man, I was thinking about that stuff before I had kids, you know, and yeah, what a dream come true.
Bro.
Yeah, what freedom does, and what I believe what freedom does, and what's done for me is it slows life down a little bit. You know, you always hear those guys say, you know, time flies, you know, or you know, life moves quick, and it does. You know, it does. But when you've got that freedom and you're together every day, and you're making memories and creating experiences together, you know, you can slow life down a little bit. You really can, and enjoy the moment instead of just rush, you know, rushing around. We used to joke about it. People be like, oh, man, network marketing, you do the door-to-door thing? I'll be like, nah, dude, you do door-to-door. You get up, you leave your bedroom door, you go into your kitchen, you go into your bathroom, you shut that door, you brush your teeth, you go out that door, you go into the kitchen, you pop your little Pop-Tart in the microwave or the toaster, and then you walk in the other door, and then you leave your front door, and you walk into your car door, and out your car door into your office door, and then you go to your office, you say hello to your boss, hey, up yours, you know what I mean, under your breath, and then you go walk into your little cubicle door, and that's door to door. That's door to door.
You ain't capping.
Me, I'm big chillin'. Oh yeah, but it's pretty cool, you know, slow life down a little bit.
Yeah, that is true. I like that. That's why I always like to say, like, living just in the moment, being in the present, breathe.
Yeah.
Look around.
Yep.
Touch some grass.
You go out your front door, you go into your car door, then you got to go back out of your car door and back into your front door because you forgot your Pop-Tart in the toaster oven. Then you got to gobble, slug that thing down real quick. You go from door to door to door to door, man.
And the Pop-Tarts aren't healthy either, so double loss there.
Double loss. Shiro, no woman in Wakanda? Hey, we don't talk about Wakanda here. Dennis Hood's in the house. What up, Dennis?
Top secret. What up, Dennis?
Top secret. Door to door. No need to leave the house. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Get your 30-minute lunch. Gobble, gobble, gobble. You know, back to work. Back to work. Door to door.
Yeesh.
You explain my life? Oh, yeah. That's fun. Oh, damn. Gold continuing up here. So the daily is flipping bullish here again. Trying to see if it can make its way back up. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. We're gonna see news is gonna really direct us, I believe. And that'll give the 4-hour a closure, because if we close a nice strong bullish here, then you've got a support. And then what do you see here? An opportunity to retest that resistance, right? So if you do close very nice bullish here on the 4-hour, and then you get like a 30-minute close above here, which is 2042, then you'll most likely see a move up to retest that resistance on the 4-hour time frame, which is our target, right? 2050 here. So yeah.
Makes sense.
Yeah, and if we close weak bearish, right? So if we close weak bearish on the 4-hour, then you're looking at a potential 4-hour celery play, right? So let's say we close a lot lower than this, kind of like a weak bullish candle, then you may anticipate sells now on the break of the lows for price to continue down. And what will that look like? That will look like on the lower time frame. Oh, let me erase that. On the lower time frame, that will just be a closure, right? That'll be the close we're looking for. Sells below here, break of that 4-hour low. So it all makes sense. All right, give me one sec. Yeah, 820 juice. 820 juice.
I'm gonna do some push-ups.
$8.20 juice, true.
Yo.
Yeah, jeez, Sammy, bro. Put some respect on it, brother.
Yeah. You Sam, man.
Why am I? I'm like, why am I a Teletubby?
That's crazy.
Groom, bro. I'm gonna have him lock you up.
Thanks, bro. Talking to the president here, yo. Like it up, y'all. If you haven't liked the stream today, make sure you give it a like. Appreciate it.
Will the news be a juicer or bleeder? So, with the GDP, they're expecting to see an increase from 4.9% to 5%. So if we do see that 5% or higher, that would be good for the dollar, right? But we'll see, we'll see. So far, it doesn't really look like we're getting a resistance though, so it's looking.
See this. Curious to see. Morning. Hey, good morning, DL. What up, bro? What up, brother?
Then gold will bleed. Yeah, if that happens, though. The numbers could come out less. There's a chance for that as well, right?
Oh. Yeah, if numbers do come out that way, then all we do is look for a resistance here.
Right.
Right here.
Let's make it one then.
Maybe this candle close above. It'll end the 4 hour, or maybe the next candle will close above. End the 4 hour and then, you know, come back down. Later.
Like, for example, yesterday, if I'm not mistaken, that wasn't yesterday. I wasn't even here yesterday, bro.
Oh yeah.
Standing on business.
We didn't take anything.
Standing on business.
Standing on
Take
business.
anything?
Speaking of standing on business, man, I was doing a study in the book of Daniel, and that man's standing on business. You have to stay faithful, gang. You got to stay faithful. Man, Daniel, got to go read the story of Daniel. Stood on big business. What is trading?
Nah, bro, literally, you gotta stay faithful. It's that desire and faith that you go back to. Someone asked me earlier, like, how do you deal with emotions during the journey? And it's just like going back to your desire and faith, backing it up with faith, right? And then there's no such thing as impossible, right? So if you got that, make sure you back it up with faith.
Yeah, man.
That's literally it. Those two things right there.
Yeah, Daniel had a choice to make. Daniel, they put him, man. They say you can either worship, you can keep worshiping that God, go ahead, but we're going to throw you in the lion's den. And that man stood on big business. He said, I bet. Right? What did he do? He went, he prayed for 3 days, went in the lion's den. The lions didn't even touch him. Not that they weren't hungry. They were very hungry. But God kept them safe. And we know that they were very hungry because once they let Daniel out of the lion's den, they said, yo, whatever God this dude's serving, we're serving him. And we know that the lions were hungry because they ended up throwing the persecutors into that lion's den and their families, and they were eaten alive in seconds. But for some reason, they didn't budge on Daniel. Standing on big business. Big business. Lele's up. Lele's up early today. Lele's up 8, 9, 2 hours early today.
Don't want to sleep. Just too excited.
Yeah, that's right, Christopher. Yeah, you got to stand on, got to seek knowledge, right? Stand on that knowledge, that wisdom. The humility Jesus showed the chick who committed adultery with, yeah, it was. Yeah. Yup. Yeah, the lion's like, nah, we can't eat that. Stay away from that, man. We're just going to sleep next to him. Yeah. Oh, did you guys hear Lele? She was just yelling.
Nah.
Kids woke up early. Yeah. Kids are up. Nah, just Alea, not Maverick.
Eric snoozing.
Lele bringing the volume here today.
Yeah, let's see. Yes, she is. Got 3, 2, 1.
Happy New Year.
Oh, here comes the news. So we never closed above here. So if we're going to break the lows, then you'll most likely see a break of these lows down here, right? Retest that support. 15, yeah, 15's all over the place here. So, yeah. Broke 1 hour lows there. Oh, nice. Let's see if you break that. Oh. Yeah, that's why we don't trade news. If we break the low, we should go down.
So
Oh my God, if we break the high, we should go up. Oh my.
So it came out. Green
Yeah,
numbers,
how did
right?
numbers
So
come
it
in?
came down, but then this is the issue. So it's like that was the initial spike with the news. Now let's see, because there was no resistance, so it might go up.
Oh yeah, green numbers here.
See?
Lele's bringing the volume. Word. You got the sock? Yeah, we got the sock. We got the sock, man. I told my wife, don't touch the sock. Just leave it right there. She was about to take the sock. I said, nah. We gotta leave that.
So look, so this is just what I wanted to say. So
Go
before
ahead.
anyone says, you said numbers are up. Why it is, or if we get green numbers, why is gold not coming down? It did on the initial spike. News is done now. So now let's see if we can form resistance now. And then we got 9, like Nick said earlier, 9:15, 9:30, whenever. Well, potential move, possibly.
Let's see, NAS 100. Yeah, we pushed up here. Pushed up and pushed down, and news is all over the place.
Yeah, it made a top wick on the 30-minute, right? So like, it drove down initially with the news, boom, came back. It could be making a top wick. It could also, right? This is why we just wait for the resistance.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait here.
Because you know, there's so many things that could be going on right now. So many things going on in your head. Just wait on it.
Just wait on it. Just wait on it.
Yeah, let it settle.
Just wait on it. Just wait on it. Yeah, we're best to wait here, right? Because we're, what are we waiting for, by the way? 4 hour now to close and give us direction of up, or if we close very weak and break the lows, then we have direction on moving down. So right here is just right at resistance, nowhere near the support. So we are in somewhat of a trying to move down here, right? Because the daily candle may have rejected this level here. So we can play both sides of the coin here today, but we gotta wait for a closure.
Yeah, gotta wait for close.
Gotta wait.
Pal.
Remember the job here. Remember, of course, the job here today is to look for the best trade, not to make money.
One good trade, one good trade. You want to know how to be a trader? You show up, you take one good trade, then you look for the next best trade. Next best trade.
Yeah, we get news all the time. There's no reason to like just jump at this because you see it moving all fast right now, and then you're like, oh, I can make a big bag.
Just do some
Promise you,
push-ups.
Don't chase the money. Do not chase the money.
100%. Market's got to make me want to get in. Wait on it.
How do I have an indicator to check volume? Yeah, the clock. That clock up there, that tells me everything I need to know about volume. Yeah, one good trade. Yeah, you could just base your whole trading career off of that. One good trade. One good trade at a time. That's it. Mike B, baby. Excuse me. Yeah, you see how this candle's moving down now? So if we remove all this drawings, right? On the 4 hour, this looks like potential 4 hour celery, right? We have to close pretty weak bullish. Pretty weak bullish and then close below on the 30. And we're in there. We are in there. Morning, Joey Stew. Joey Stew's in the house.
Report to the podium.
Joe Stewart, report to the podium, the White House podium. Yeah, the clock's gonna tell you basically all you need to know about volume, right? As long as that's why I love trading the same pair every day, because you know how to read it, right? You know when volume comes in, when it's not in, and yeah, it's the best. What do I think about FTMO? I think they're great. Yeah, I traded with them for a little bit.
If GDP was good for a dollar, why is USD not reacting? Let me check the XY. It looks like it's moving up.
Daily moving back down here. Yeah, the 4 hour. Yeah, we need a nice weak 4 hour close. See, look, gang, from what we discussed on the boot camp, is this a good support? Is that a good support right there? That looks pretty weak to me, right? Unless we close like up here or something, that looks like a pretty weak support that if we break the low, we might end up cruising down. Did I have problems with payout? No, I never had any problems with FTMO. They were money. The only problem I had was they were still 10% and MFF was 8. So I switched. Yeah, so when it was time for new accounts and stuff, I went with my Forex funds, and they were amazing for a long time. And then yeah, just I guess the money got to them. One good trade makes me want to work on a floor. Yeah, that's true. We're in the future. Funding pips, I never used them, so I don't know. I've only used my Forex funds and FTMO. Oh yeah, look at this. Now look at the 4 hour. Very nice, very nice. Can we get 777 likes, people? Let's get it. Let's get it. Yeah, this is perfect. Perfect.
Nice.
Look at that.
Yes.
One candle just destroyed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 30-minute candles. No
It's funny,
surprise.
it's
I was going to say, though, no surprise here, because what do we always talk about? Price comes down, creates support, retest resistance. So it did that. That is all it was designed to do. Anything further than that is extra. And now price will potentially move back down after creating this resistance here. Clean candles here, so. What were you going to say, Sam?
Oh, I was just sitting there. I was gonna say, I was talking to my mom this morning. It was so funny because like she like does not like understand like any of this. She like doesn't try to at all. My dad does, but she was like, what do you even do? I was like, well, like this morning I'll probably pull up, tell them that gold's gonna come down, and then we'll just see if we could sell at some point. That's pretty much it.
You're gonna sell all your gold? What do you mean? I got that for you for Christmas. Oh, not that gold, Mom. Not the gold chain.
Yeah, and then I started getting deep with it, and I was like, right now, we're in a cycle where, we're moving up with gold. However, like this might be a short period of time, like on the daily time frame, where we might just pull back to start creating some more support to later drive up with some more news next week or something.
She's like, all right, Sam, you lost me. Just keep doing your thing.
Probably Meg.
She's like, yeah, that's why I don't.
That's like everyone's mom.
And that's why I tell my mom that I sell Google optimization online for a major Fortune 500 company. Awesome, Nick. You're amazing. Yep, lots of security. Yep, healthcare, medical benefits, the whole 9 yards. 401k. Yeah, Mom. Don't worry. You don't have to worry about the kids. Don't worry about the grandkids. It's okay. Got a very safe and secure income. Yeah, a lot of times our parents come from the whole you know, 9 to 5, like security, you know, stuff like that. So can't blame them. They just want what's best for their offspring.
You can't really speak about it.
Ain't lying a sin? Yeah, I'm a sinner, just like you. We're all sinners. All right, in 3 minutes, Alexandru's gonna go get another cup of coffee and smoke his lungs out on a pack of, I don't even know, but we're gonna sit tight and wait for him to come back and wait for this 4 hour to close along with him.
Wait for him.
He's gonna go smoke a pack.
Not a sim to smoke battery cigarettes.
But
Alexandru runs on caffeine and nicotine.
Oh, this is looking good. It's looking good. Any trade coming? Maybe.
Quake.
No
Just gets
quaking.
those heart palpitations every once in a while from the caffeine and nicotine. Gets them sharp.
Not sure if my chest is supposed to feel like this, but
don't mind.
Now he goes like this. He's
TTS.
like, tighten up.
Tighten up, chest. Don't quake. Don't quake on me now. 9:30's coming. Nick promised 100 lots if we get a celery play here. Oh, man. This is good, though. This is what we want. Takes time, gang, but everything's printing how we would like it to.
Yeah, I was saying 90 waiting, or 95% waiting, 5% actually trading. So be ready to wait.
Yes, sir. In the meantime, if you guys haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like here today if you're enjoying the content. If you guys have been here for a couple days, a couple weeks, a couple months, and you're enjoying it and you're learning a bit, give the stream a like here. And if you're not subbed to the channel, what are you doing, man? Hit the sub. Sub it up.
Hit the bell too.
Ding.
Nice.
We starving. Yeah.
You know what bell we should use instead of like a 930 NYSE bell? We should use like the one from the Undertaker theme.
Don't we already have that?
I don't know.
I think we have that.
I have no idea.
I gotta get the
Oh, yo, I need you to get this other clip for me.
Yeah,
Oh, you
the
heard me, right?
inhaler.
Yeah, we need that.
Yeah, that brother's starving.
Yeah, we need that. Yeah, we have this bell.
just breathe.
Ding. That's the Undertaker bell. Guitar? Where is guitar guy? Yeah, word. I think he's gonna come in next. Yeah, he's usually like 8:48. Yeah, it is after the song.
Dude. Oh my goodness. That's so funny, bro. You got SpongeBob on your t-shirt. It starts off.
You've got SpongeBob on your t-shirt. Oh man.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
Yeah, we honestly we haven't played these too much lately. $9.30 strategy, yes. Yeah.
SpongeBob on your t-shirt. Get your inhaler, G. That'll turn the girls on.
Get your inhaler, G.
Yeah.
Can't seem to handle air.
There's no strategy. I have no strategy. There's zero strategy.
With the inhaler,
Zero.
'cause You can't seem to handle
Bro, I
air
love
without
tape.
assistance.
Basic G.
That's too funny. Oh yeah, volume's coming in, guitar's coming in too here. 8:47. Can you show last December stats? I heard December is not good for trading. Yeah, you know what? It's usually not, but last year was great. And I actually, so next year I'm gonna do things a little differently. I deleted the stats like on each. So what we're gonna do moving forward now is we're gonna just start down here. So as we move into next year, we're gonna leave all the stats up from the year before, right? So like, let's say we start a new year here and it's June or May or something like that. Then what we'll do is we'll just kind of jump down a little bit and I'll just post like 2024, right? And then we'll just work down. So because that way we can keep the stats up and we can have these stats for years of just following this, right? We can just keep moving down. So we can add more if we have to. Yeah. Like the stream, fam. Yeah, let's like the stream, fam. Like Storm Player said. Let me see here. How many likes we got? 743. Hey, can we at least get 777? That'd be awesome. Change the whole up. Oh, Shiro wants to upgrade. Here's the guitar. He wants to upgrade. Yeah, we'll see. A little upgrade. Push-ups non-stop till 4-hour close. That sounds good. 12 minutes of push-ups. What am I waiting for? I'm waiting for a close below 2037 422 here, or a close above 2042 811. I'm also now waiting because it is, if you look at the time, it is 8:50 a.m. over here on the East Coast, and the 4-hour candle is about to close in 10 minutes. So not going to take anything until that 4-hour candle closes here. 15-minute did close bearish. If we can kind of keep moving down, that'd be awesome. We may consolidate a little bit more here because remember the 4-hour now needs a bottom wick or a top wick on the next one, right? So you may do a little consolidation, but then ultimately if we close below here, then you should see a drive down. Yeah. Yeah, all I want to see is a closure below. Closure belowsure. And then we're in there. Candle close like this. We will take a trade. We will take a trade. What you've all been waiting for. Yeah, we got a nice clean move coming down here. Yo, he's going ham right now.
Let him cook.
Which pair are we waiting on? Gold. XAU USD. Welcome, welcome. That brother starved.
For pips.
All right, so let me explain. We got 9 minutes left, so let's just talk about what we're anticipating happening here. So if we look at the 4-hour candle, right? So if the 4-hour candle closes somewhat like it is right now, then what I would expect is this is a 4-hour playbook position here. So if we break these lows right here, there's a very high chance price will move down and tap into 2025 here, right? You could get a nice break of the lows on the 4-hour. And candles will move down. Now that's what it's going to look like on the 4-hour. What's it going to look like on the 30-minute and the 15, right? Let's go ahead and take a look at that. So 15-minute would look something like this. So after the consolidation or whatever needs to be done here is finished and we actually get a close below, because remember we need the 4-hour to open up and we need some sort of a top wick. But once we end up getting a closure below, that will be us breaking the 4-hour low, right, for that celery play, and that'll be our opportunity. So this will be probably around 9:15, 9:30, or 9:45, and then those will be our sells coming down. So that's what we're looking for here on the way down. Now if we don't move down, right, if the 4-hour closes strong bullish, let's go over that real quick. So 4-hour candle decides to move back up and close strong bullish, then all we do is we wait for, you see how we're starting to form a potential support? If we can get that same exact support to form on the 30-minute, which would basically be this this candle right here being 8:30 to 9, and now this candle being 9 to 9:30, what do you see here? You see a support now formed and a breakout, right? So now what are we going to do? We're going to wait for a bottom wick and then potentially take our move coming up. With the daily, right? That's if the 4-hour wants to create a support. So we've got a case for both sides of the coin here, and now we just got to wait on this 30-minute time frame. Yeah, simple. We'll see how the 4-hour closes, and then we'll stalk our prey here on the 30-minute.
Very simple.
Does that make sense? Anybody have questions on anything there? My bad, John. I didn't need to send that to you.
Take your inhaler, G. That'll turn the girls on.
Take your inhaler, G. Y'all good? Does that make sense? Any questions on that? No cues? All right, cool. Cool. So now we wait on it. Right now, if you want, just look at your 4-hour chart. Don't worry about what's going on in the 1 minute, 1 second, 9 second, 5 minute, 15, 30, 1 hour. Just stay right here. Stay right here, G.
Breathe air. You take your inhaler, G. That'll turn the girls on. Right. While he's busy with his inhaler because he can't seem to handle air without assistance.
Oh, man.
Breathe air.
Breathe air.
Breathe air.
Can you repeat that explanation, sir? Or you can just scroll back like 2 minutes. And then you can watch it. And then, yeah, it'll be perfect. That's the cool part about the live stream. You could actually go back on it. You scroll back a little bit. If you miss something. There you go, Nightbot. Did you miss that? Rewind the live video. Play at high speed. Breathe air. Bro, I'm down 6% on a funded account. Any advice? Yeah, just look for the next best trade here today. Yep. Whether you're up 6%, down 6%, your job every day is just come to the charts, look for the next best trade. Next high probability setup. If you continue to do that over and over, you'll most likely dig yourself out of the hole and start running again. Andrew Tater Tot. All right, give me 1 sec. I'll be right back.
Would you look at it?
Somebody here told us every day is not for trade. Trade with good momentum. Time, it's better, I think. Everybody here can profit in every days. Yes.
Mm.
Yeah, we just need a good setup. Right?
That's it.
Why take a, like for example, like, it was pretty evidential that like gold was gonna come down earlier with the news. We talked about it, but we didn't have a resistance or anything even at all. But what did it do? Just blip. It is what it is.
Later.
There you go, twin trading.
We need another. We need another bleeder that makes Sam fall out of his chair again, man.
Yeah, we need another bleeder that gets Nick going like this. We got a bleeder, boys.
Yo, you remember that one stream?
Clips of you. Yeah. Bleeder, boys. We got a bleeder, and then it started going crazy.
Quick 40 pap, eh, John? We're up over 100 now. Over 100 push-ups within the span of the live stream, gang. No excuses.
Nice, bro.
Bro, is that what you're doing?
I don't know.
I don't do that.
I couldn't do my push-ups because I was watching the live stream. No, do 'em.
For real. I need to catch up, bro. Only at like 40.
Oh. Yeah, I just hit a 40 pack because honestly I'm cold, man. It's brick in this house. Needed to do some push-ups.
I'm about to hit some right now.
Oh,
After this 4-hour closes.
It falls there. I think I was rubbing my hands like Birdman that day. Till I'm like, later. That was a drop.
Yo,
Yeah.
that was like whenever he hey, yo, Green.
I remember Jay.
Magic keys.
Jay be like, ooh. You remember Jay, bro, when we used to hit those big trades?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Jay was the best. All right, cool.
Jay's a clown, yeah.
So, real quick, we did close very weak bullish here on the 4-hour time frame. So, if we do get a closure below here, that close on the 30 should go ahead and break that low as well. Let's just mark that low off real quick. That's your 4-hour low right here. So I'm not going to take a celery play just based off of the 30. I mean, of the 4-hour here, because I want to wait for a closure on the 15-minute or on the 30-minute time frame here. So we've got time. The new 4-hour candle is just open. It needs to consolidate for a little bit, and then we'll just stick to waiting for our closures here. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Well, that's what I'm gonna do. Dum, dum. Oh wow, look at this 4-hour ripping right away here. Have our own national anthem.
His altar.
All right, this is nice. If we could break that low, that'd be awesome. Because if we don't break the low, we respect it, flip bullish, and drive up, right? So this closure is very, very important here. The closure and the break of that 4-hour low. What headphones do I have? I have a few pairs, but I'm using the Apple headphones right now, whatever they're called. Are we gonna have impulse move? I am not, but if we do get a 15 close below here or a 30 closure, then I will look to take some positions. Yeah, man, it's cold in this house. Yeah, I want to see a 4-hour top wick here too. So see if we get it. So 4-hour push down right away. We never broke the lows. So there's nothing here for us just yet. Nothing. What trade copy do I use? I use Traders Connect. When did I start trading? 2020, the tail end of 2018, 2019. Started getting serious around 2020. Started becoming pretty profitable like midway into 2020 or like towards the end of 2021. And yeah, been a good ride. We starving.
You take your inhaler, G.
That brother starved.
Yo, was this the least trades we took this month? The you know?
Might have been one more month.
Yeah, I think October was, or wait, I think December or September was like nothing. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, October we took a good amount. I think May was our biggest month. We took like over 20-25 trades in May. Oh, August was big too.
Yeah, dude, May, everyone's pulling up. Yo, all 2,000 of you were here in May, you would have been 2,000 people rubbing hands like every day.
Yo, May and June, we were on fire. April, May, and June, we couldn't miss. We literally could not miss.
Hype to rerun it back up those months.
Bet the house in April, May, and June next year.
Word.
All right, GJ is trying to close above here as well, so we'll see what happens here. 1 hour candles are trying to close above. Let's take a look at NAS 100 here as well. And yeah, this thing's just on a bull run, so nothing I can really do with this. You may get a support now on the 30, so maybe we could take more buys up. Did we fill that wick? I believe we filled the wick. Yeah, we have filled that wick there, so we'll see what happens now. Because if you don't break that high, you'll most likely drive down for retracement. Yeah, so we're getting a 4 hour top wick now. Hey, for all we know, price can move up here, right? But we're going to wait on the 30 minute to close above before we get into that move, or at least I'm going to. Otherwise, we may just, like I explained a little bit earlier, we may just trickle around here, right, in this range, just like we did before. So, yeah, we need to wait. Do you give gold analysis in group? Yeah, in this group, pretty much. Not really in any other group. I mean, we have a Discord. You could join our free Discord. We talk a lot of trading in there. Let's see here. Hey man, yesterday you took a trade, 3K profit. Yeah, we took a trade off stream yesterday. Took a buy on gold right here. Took a buy on this candle. Pretty much, I just traded this candle here. I was a little busy, so I closed full right around 2034, I think, and then price continue moving up. So shout out to all you guys that held that. Shout out to TK for holding that. Passed his challenge account with that move. Yeah, we ended up running.
Let's go, TK?
Yeah, did I tell you that, John?
Nah, I didn't even know that. Congrats,
Yep.
TK.
Yep.
Let's get it.
It's a man. He's that guy.
Let's get it.
Hey, what up, Landon? Good to see you too, bro.
Beautiful. TK, on to the next.
On to the next one. It reversed
Such
right
a
after
great
hitting.
feeling, right?
That's funny. How will the recordings be sent out, Nick? They will be sent out through email. So hey, I know we had 4 or 5 people in Discord where I sent you guys the bootcamp links in Discord. If you guys can just send me your email, that would be great. That way I don't have to send anything through Discord. I could just add you to that whole email list, and you can you could just get it in your email. So there's like 4 or 5 of you that we we talked on Discord and I sent you the link every day, if that's you, and only if that's you. I mean, I have the conversation. I could just literally look up. If that's you, then please message me on Discord at some point today. Maybe even tonight. Do it tonight, and then I'll just message me with your email so I can add you to the list. Thank you. Yeah, good job, TK.
What about me? Would I have to give you mine?
Nah, you be alright.
Alright. Might. That's all I like to hear.
Hey Nick, can you
Yeah, I
please
can't wait
respond
to
to
go
my
back through that.
message on Discord? Oh, Rapid Max, you messaged me on Discord? Send me a message now so it pops up on top. I got a busy inbox here on Discord, man. Busy. That's why I was saying, if you guys did get if we did exchange Zoom links via Discord, maybe message me in a couple hours. I mean, message me whenever. I'll get to it. All right. Let's go. What are we going to do? 9:10 here. 15-minute candle's going to close in a bit. We did respect the high. We did break the lows here. We just need a close below 2037 here. Yo, back in 2037. Boys, we were literally just in like 1800s. Crazy.
No, for real.
In March.
It is.
Yeah, it's nuts. In
Going back
August.
to those highs, those all-time highs.
Crazy, man. We were all over this year. Yeah, look at the yearly candle here, man. This thing was... Wow, this thing is trying to break the highs. One more month on this candle, man. One more month. Can't even call our birthdays with these prices? Yeah, that's true.
Mm.
That's true.
Yeah, it'll be like my son's birthday. 2030 something.
Nice. I never even thought about that. Honestly.
It's the first time I've ever thought about that too.
I remember when I was a kid, I used to think the older you got, the taller you got.
When I was a kid, I thought all dogs were boys and all cats were girls. Because it's like, I don't know, like just like the nature of the animal.
that.
How many of you guys were born in the 90s and you remember that crew Hanson? You guys remember the Hanson brothers? How many of you guys remember Hanson?
They sound mad familiar.
Bop. Bop. Dimpa-dampa-dampa-doo bop. Dimpa-dampa. Like, no one knew the words to that song. But I wanted to be like those dudes. I went to their concert and everything, and I always thought if you cut your fingernails, your hair will grow longer, because my mom told me that when I was really, really young, because I wanted to grow my hair out like bop. Dip-a-dop-a-dop-doo-dop. It's like, what? Go to the concert, I don't even know what I'm saying.
I'm sure everyone felt.
Hey, yeah, if you guys don't know bop, come on.
Bop.
Boom bap.
Dudes had no words to the
TK
song.
freestyling on it.
Oh,
No,
man.
That's funny.
And oh, then, and a doom bop a dong. Like, what? Is there any lyrics to this? Oh, man.
Just sounds.
Dooba dabba dabba doo bop. Yo, man.
Bop. Or sing
Hey,
it.
knew what they were doing.
Yo. 'Cause, 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 'cause,
They knew what they were doing.
Yo, man. What was the names? I remember the young guy was Zach. Zach.
So what? It was just 2 brothers.
3.
3 brothers. Word. So they were
Yeah,
like the
3.
Beatles.
Isaac, I
Beatles
think.
had 4,
Yeah,
didn't they?
Taylor, Isaac, and
Yeah,
Taylor,
Beatles
and
had 4.
Zach. Yep. What'd you say?
No, I said they're like.
He said they're like the Beatles.
Yeah.
Like the Beatles have 4, don't they?
Yeah. They want it to be the Beatles. They're the wannabe Beatles.
They're the OG Migos.
Amigo.
Mi
Three
amigo.
Stooges. You guys remember that show, The Three Stooges?
Yeah.
With Larry and
Can.
look at those lyrics. Whoa. They're speaking my language.
Yo, see, I knew they weren't speaking a real language, or maybe they are.
What language are they speaking?
I said, oh yeah, and what?
Badu, yeah.
Do yeah.
Said oh yeah.
Said, oh yeah,
Bop.
in an
Okay, let's make it
bop, they're
they're
gone.
And
What?
bop, they're gone.
Wow. And they
Nah.
probably made millions off that.
Bop, do bop, bop, dop, do bop, bop,
Record
do
label
bop,
heard that,
dop.
was like,
Yo.
Yo,
Oh,
facts, yeah.
damn. Bop gone. Yo.
That's crazy.
They're probably like, yo, we
There's-
just made millions off so we didn't write.
The
Yeah.
Wakanda language. That's
143 million views. Yeah, this song was recorded in the early 90s, I believe. Yeah. I had the whole album. I think that was the only song on the album. Everything else I think was in gibberish. Mamba language.
So it was 3 boys? Because I could have swore I saw a girl.
Yeah, they kind of looked like girls.
Okay.
They were the first mumble rappers, yo. Word.
Facts, bro.
Yeah, where are those guys at now, right? Damn. That's that
Yeesh.
Wakanda language. Yeah, the whole album was just like bop da bop da bop da bop boom bop. Like what? What? Oh damn, Stephen B. Don't fall off that ladder, bro.
yeah, tighten up on the ladder, bro.
Tighten up.
Tighten that grip.
Gotta get a harness going. All right, we got 11 minutes here. 11 minutes. They're here in the chat.
11 more minutes.
Where they at though?
TTW.
Yeah, I mean, did they have any other songs? Like, I really like them, but did they even like have another song? Why did I like them so much?
Oh, they're all grown up with families of their own. Nice.
Yeah, sounds about right.
Beautiful.
I thought they were girls, Hanson. Yo, what up, Travis?
Travis. What up, bro?
Yo, TK, you rapping now, bro?
Yeah, dude.
This guy does it all,
Bro.
man. Holy.
Clock
guy.
ticking down, 11 to show.
What AI
Candle
spit that for you?
burning.
Nice candles burning bright. Let's
Watching
go.
the numbers ebb and flow.
Oh, ebb and flow, baby.
That's that chat GBT. Nice.
You know what I say? Raindrop.
Hey.
Drop top.
Hey.
Catch 50.
Hey.
Pips on the 10 line.
Hey. Let's go.
Later.
Yeah, who remembers that stream when I pulled up?
I do.
That was
bro.
the greatest.
I joined in the Zoom, and it was before Nick had to free me, so you just see me pop up at the top.
Start spitting.
Start spitting.
Facts.
Come on, 30. You can do it. You can do it. Just move on down. Let's break this 4-hour low and let's have a great day.
Facts.
You can do it. Uh-oh. Lil TK. Yo, Lil TK's album's about to drop.
Yo. Come on.
That's funny. Lil TK out here.
TK, drop. When's your album coming out, man?
TK got bars, son.
Lil TK.
TK going platinum. All right, so see how we're consolidating here again, like kind of like what we talked about around like 8:45. We're just waiting on the 30 now. So 5 and the 15 are going to do that consolidation here, right? Because 4-hour needs a top wick and needs to break the lows and needs to gather momentum and all that stuff. So we're seeing the consolidation now play out. So you just gotta wait. You know, everything we were looking for here today is beginning to line up. So once it gets lined up perfectly, we will swing the bat here.
Sure. We're waiting for gold to confirm our deal here. You already know the vibes.
Oh, you know what? Here's your boy Zach. Oh, Bop explained. There's your boy right there. This guy is this dude. Yeah, Bop explained. I'll have to check that out later. I'll bring you back the news. I'll bring the news back tomorrow. What's my play if price pushes above 43 here? Good question. So if we do push above, I'm going to look to take buys, right? But I'm going to need some sort of a candle closing above like this in order to take those buys. So if we get that, then I will look to, you know, trade this range right here moving up. Yeah. Yeah, like we talked about ranges yesterday. Remember, guys, you know, you have these ranges here today. So pretty much every day, gold's going to give you a few ranges. Some days you may have to look left a little further to find those ranges. But let me scroll back a little. Yeah. But these are pretty much your ranges here today. If we go to the third, can we see the 30 way back there? There's got to be a resistance there. Yeah. So yeah, so those are your ranges here today. This is pretty much the red zone because this is going to be a no trade range for me. Just going to probably chop around in this zone here for a bit. But anything above or below is pretty clean. And remember, we have to always understand, where are we in the range, right? Where have we closed in that range? Are we at the top of it? Are we at the bottom of it, right? Or where are we? So we're going to keep an eye on that. But these are pretty much your ranges here. Give a little pink one for the ladies in the house. If you color coordinate them, they should look something like this. Boom. That's it. These are your ranges today. And then you got, obviously there's a support here. And then below there is more of a range.
Yo,
Yeah.
Landon, that's fire. I like that.
But to keep it simple, this is the range, right? You just got a no trade range, and then the rest of this is all clean. All clean for me. TK passed the mic. Oh. Where's Mike? Yo!
Yeah, that was
Landon
a
got
fire
bars, dude. Damn.
facts.
You guys are talented, man.
Hell yeah.
You guys are talented. Where's Andreas at today?
I like to hear him spit a bar.
Eminem's 51 years old. No, he's actually 551 years old. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, that's crazy. Eminem's 51 years old.
Eminem, man.
Eminem's a reptile. I didn't just say that. No, I didn't. Yeah, he's 51 times 50.
Mortal.
Swoosh. Mike. See, one thing I love turning the Quakers into friends. Like Mike was a Quaker in the beginning, and then he became a good friend. But now we haven't seen him in a bit. Reptile. Oh wow, yeah, this 30-minute is struggling. We got 3 minutes left on this candle too.
Morning.
Wow.
Come on.
Mike's red. Yo. Red 57.
Blue 42. Say what? That's what we're gonna say before we enter the trade.
Yeah.
Thanks.
What up, Red? What up, Red 57? Yeah, damn. Yeah, I really want to see this candle move down here.
I did too, bro. I did too.
Do we have any other news going on today? I do not think so. Nope. We got the crude oil inventories. We got Governor Bailey speaking.
Well, that's for the pound, right?
Yeah, at 10 a.m. 10:05.
GJ's in a range right now.
To be honest, man, I see this. I don't know. I have a feeling this daily candle is not gonna move up here, and this 4 hour is gonna move up quickly, and that may be it. Let's see how the 30 closes, especially if the 30 closes with no top wick. You may get a quick push up, like this, and then a move back down, like a bullish move up, and then something like this. Yeah, and then we break the 4 hour lows there.
I agree.
Yeah, regardless, I'm not taking buys until we get above 42 here. You guys can take whatever buys you want. If you look at the 4 hour and you see something that you really, really like, go ahead. I'm not saying that won't happen, but I am not going to take that wick fill there. Yeah, this candle may close with no top wick too.
Okay.
So if we can close with no top wick, and even the 15, right? So if the 15 here can close without a top wick, and then we can create a resistance here, like this, right, and close back below, then that's what I'll take sells at 9:45. Yeah, and then what this will be is just a bleeder 9:30 candle. Hey, Lele.
Yeah, they're rejecting that resistance too at 52 as well. That daily candle.
The volume just walked in.
Hey, Lele here. Let's go. Bring up the volume.
All right, so we'll see how the candle closes here in just a moment. Lele is going to chill here for like 2 or 3 minutes. Say hi to look at Uncle John's in the house. Sammy boy's in the heezy.
What up, Lele?
Lele.
Johnny boy's here. The baby woke up. Okay. Maverick is awake too, according to Lele.
He said, "Baby up."
He's a reptilian. Hey Lele, can you pray for everyone? Daddy and Lele? Let's see. All right. So look, 15 did close bullish here. No bottom wick just yet. Here, let me just no bottom wick here. 4 hour may push up, and look, if we don't get a bottom wick on the 15 and we just push up, then that will give us evidence of what we're expecting here, like what we just talked about a potential move up real quick to kind of attempt to fill the 4 hour top or the 4 hour wick fill, and then a close back down. So I'm not gonna budge on anything in this range here. Yeah, this is it. Just gonna wait for this or wait for this. One or the other. What's my Instagram? My Instagram? What is my Instagram? Let me pull it up. That way you guys don't get chalked by. Yeah, that way you guys don't get hit with the fakies. With the fugazis.
Ooh. Scammers.
Yeah, this is my IG right here. Yeah, my friend sent me he got a friend request from a scam account. Yo, they actually had, the fact that they put the Bible stuff in there just blows my mind. Yo, they put the cross in there. Too funny, man. But yeah, it's my Instagram, so you can come follow me here. I won't ever message you first. I guess I have to say that nowadays. It's just, yeah, I won't ever message you.
We got full-time scammers out there.
Gotta baby-proof the room real quick. So yeah, no bottom wick here, no entries, just waiting. Yeah. So oh yeah, by the way, we do post a lot of our trades here too. Not all of them, but some of them. Yeah. So you guys can come follow me here if you'd like. You guys want to know what my most viewed reel was? What do you guys think was the most popular one? The most viewed reel?
I was gonna say
it's one of these.
Hold up.
Wait, I was gonna say the loss.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Is it?
Yep.
Got that.
This one I believe. How come I don't see the actual views? But yeah, this one had like 10,000 views. Hold up.
Getting 10,000 views, wild. Yeah, everyone called it that negative 9K.
Yeah, people love to see you lose, man. They love to see you lose. Hey, thanks, Alexandra. I see it all. Got push
Praying on the downfall, y'all.
Yeah. Oh, view insights, right?
BTP, time to push up.
Oh, view insights. Yeah, this one had like 11,000, I think. Yeah, 11,000. Yeah, man, my Instagram blew up. Literally blew up over the past couple months just from, I guess, the live streams. Yeah, we did a couple podcasts and stuff too, so I think that's what popped everything. Yeah, gold just working here. 930 not really doing much just yet. Not doing much here just yet. Let's see, NASDAQ, did we come down at all? Not really. Yeah, we just made that support like we talked about. Yep, and then moved up. Yeah, you see this a juicer here at 930. So I don't know why the last couple days gold's 930 has not really done much. It's been somewhat of a dud. All right, we're poking up now. So this is the 4-hour wick fill here. And then if we can close above, then you should be good. Breaking 4-hour highs. Yep, breaking the 4-hour highs there after making a nice bottom wick. So yeah, if we close above here, I would anticipate this high at 2048 to be retested. So we'll look towards the 15 chart here, and we'll see if we can get anything. Yep. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it is. It is. The funniest part was the scam page had 5K followers.
That's crazy.
And Maverick. Yeah, 30 just blasting off here. Blast off. So 15 minutes gonna close here in 7 minutes. So that's gonna be our next step there. So if it closes above resistance, we have our confirmation. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, we'll see if it closes above.
Yeah, we driving.
We are driving.
Joy of Jomo.
Jomo?
Joy of missing out.
You guys got Jomo?
I got Jomo.
I do.
Was in buys, lost confidence, got out with 5 pips. Nice, nice. Yeah, well, that was tough. It was tough to have like confidence within that range there. Yeah, especially when that 30-minute was like moving down, breaking the lows and all that. Yeah, it was. Hey, at least you got out with some profit. You took a trade yesterday? Yeah, we did. Yeah, we took a trade yesterday. A little bit after we ended the stream right here. Gold buy. Entered right here.
Those are the 4-hour highs too. Broken.
Yep. I put a buy stop at 2043. Oh, nice. 2043 has been hit, so you should be active here. Nice. I'm going to just wait on this candle to close and potentially get a wick fill here for 945. TK still holding. TK, you still holding, bro? Yeah, I like what Alexandru posted in the Discord too earlier. It was I think it was this one right here. Yeah, YOLO trades. Yeah, you don't want to really take these YOLO trades. If you guys haven't heard this, go and listen to this. You'll understand why we do what we do. Yeah, this was good. This one was good too. Yes, honey. Yes.
YOLO trade sounds like trading just to trade. No real reason. Getting in. Oh, YOLO trades. Full margin on a coin flip. That's funny. How to know that's not a fake out? Well, just look at the higher time frames. Look at the 4 hour. 4 hours pretty bullish, and so is the daily, right?
All right, 2 minutes for this candle to close here. So we'll see how we close. Yeah, those clips are fire. Fire, fire.
See if we get that wick fill.
All right, 1 minute. 1 minute. Let's see how we did on the 4 hour. We broke the high pretty aggressively there. One more minute. Just one. Yeah, we will see. We will see. Yeah, so here's the plan. If we do close above, then I will look to take buys, but we need to have a bottom wick, right? And then most likely our stops are going to be somewhere below that low, right? If the bottom wick can come down to, like, you see these wicks over here? If we can get a bottom wick coming back into the range a bit, then we could take our buys and keep our stops below here. So we did close above. Now it's just about will we get a bottom wick here or not. Give us a decent bottom wick, gold. Don't run. Don't do it. Yeah, because we need a stop. Otherwise, this is going to be our stop loss, right? Right here. So it's either that or a 40 pip stop.
ID.
Yep. You okay?
30 minutes.
I put her up on the desk and she's quake.
Who is that? The dog? Hey, Pep. Pep.
Pep.
Hey.
Pep. She's quaking. I gotta put her down.
Wow, Lele is looking at the dog. Yeah, nice. Doggy, yup.
That's her name?
Doggy's gone, Lele.
Pep.
Pep? Nice, I like that.
Pep. She'll probably have like 4 names, bro. Give her, just wait on. See if I can get Moom.
Oh,
See if she comes.
boom. Would have been probably stopped that right there.
You're a FOMO right now.
Does he bite? Does he bite?
Does she bite? Me, yeah. When we're playing. Not like actually bite though.
Yeah, you should have named the dog Pip.
That's what I should say. Pip. Yeah.
Oh yeah, we would have survived. We would have survived that stop loss. Oh, we would have been very nervous right now. Very nervous.
We just probably got stopped.
Yeah, ACAB would have been like, yeah, we'll take that order. We know your stop was 4 pips below, but we'll take it. All the boot camps are getting sent out tomorrow. Oh, wow. Maybe we would have survived here. Let's see. Oh. Yeah, this thing probably going to take off. I think we would have survived that.
All the lows break.
Give Lele the MK. It's like the AK. It's like an AK over here. No clear direction in New York session? Yeah, not really. Not really. I mean, I guess we did. Hold on, Lele. I guess we did move up off this support, but this was a no trade range here for me. Don't sweat, don't sweat. Yeah, Nasdaq's probably still flying, right? Yeah. It's takeoff time, man. Look at this. Nothing you can do here. When you come to the charts and this is all you got, it's tough, right? I think 30-minute gave you a support. That was your only shot right there. Joy of stopping out. It's funny. You think it's funny? Does she speak? Yeah, she's starting to speak. She's starting to talk now. She's 2. She's 2. Whoa. Whoa. Mm-hmm. What's going on here? What's going on? Man, this thing's trying to break up, but something's holding it back.
I'm still waiting on 30. worries.
Ditto. Ditto. Just patiently waiting here. Yeah, what would be pretty cool is if we if the 1 hour candle closes below and the 30 closes like this, right? We drew this out already, but then we could probably take our sells coming back down. We'll see. If not, we wait for the 1 hour close, right? If the 1 hour close above, then we take our buys. So the whole 31 hour closures in 9 minutes are gonna be pretty important here. High five. Whoa. Where's Joe Stewart? I think I seen him earlier. Joey Stewart.
Yeah, I see him in the chat. We still. Jeremy, I've never known.
When I was brand new to trading, like I messed around with it, but not like actually, nah. Nah, I like the normal candles because that's just like, you know, that's our whole strategy really is like reading the price action.
Yeah. Facts.
I think to me personally, like the wicks, the bodies, like everything about a candle is like super important.
Yeah. So like speaking a language.
Mm. Trading is getting boring? Good. Should be, as it should be.
Fine. There's a resistance in that level, right? There's a resistance at 46 or 45. Yeah, 46. And I'd like to see his candle pull back. The closer to the range, the better. Rather be bored than broke. That's facts, Dominic.
They're playing games. She has grown, yes. She's growing. What up, Joey Stu? Come pull up. I need you to babysit. Don't want to be a brokey? Oh, yeah, no, never. Yeah, big closures here. Big 30-minute, 1 hour closures.
Pull back for us.
See what pound yen's doing. Still in the range here. Nothing there on GJ today. Yeah, absolutely nothing. Let's go take a look at, or I think we know what Nas is doing, right? Just juicing. Yeah. Hey, yo, I'm at an excess. I'm out.
Damn, time to cop a Red Bull.
I procrastinated on my order. I won't have it till what's the? Oh, I'll have it tomorrow. Yeah, yeah.
You know,
One more.
Start drinking Joe.
One more morning without excess. Yes. Bye bye Nasdaq. Yeah. No. My favorite flavor is strawberry burn.
All fine. Yeah, let's see if we can get pulled back here. Any trade coming? Hey, we're gonna find that out in 3 minutes. Yes, what TK said.
Ace Boogie. I'm gonna tell him read that when he comes back.
All right. Daddy Dewey. We tied her up. You won't see her again.
Just play around.
Oh, blood orange. Yeah, I like blood orange too. But yeah, I usually get strawberry burn. I like pretty much all of them. But that strawberry burn is my go-to. It's effective.
Raw fire. Go back.
David, gold for me is always over everything. Gold over everything. All right. $45 here. Black cherry Coke. Yeah, that one was fire. I thought they had one for that. No? Blood orange. All right. So the new candle has opened. 15-minute candle here is kind of rejected. We've got no bottom wick on this one really just yet either. So yeah, we'll see if we get a bottom wick, then we will take buys on the break of these highs here to move up, leave our stops below that candle. But that's if we get a bottom wick here. So Plus, we're breaking the highs here in the first 9 seconds of the candle. Not that good.
Disgusting.
Oxygen is overrated? Yes, for real. Yeah, so couldn't get in on this 15 with no bottom wick. This one running here as well. Moving on up. Walk. Does your stop loss really... Huh? What stop loss? Which one? Man, I have to take trades after news. Do it. Do it. Hero of the day, that's true. Let's all buy the Umbop soundtrack. Goldie, Goldie. How am I? I am
Nasty.
great. How are you? Just hanging out. Who, me? Just hanging out. Give him give a bottom wick here, Gold. You can do it. Daily pumping back up here. Yeah, 4 hours should retest that resistance up top there. We'll see if we make it. Getting sluggish. Who, me? Just hanging around. Oh, pushing, pushing, pushing. Yeah, the 4 hour might just run here, this candle, without giving us any opportunities on these lower time frames. We tried 9:15, right? We tried 9:45, nothing, and here comes the new 10 a.m. candle here. So just blasting off here with no top wick. We may get, remember what we drew out earlier for the 30 minute? We may get that on the 1 hour. So something like this. With a close back below. Yeah, especially with all these no bottom wick candles here. We're approaching this resistance now at 2046. Just play some Bop and you'll be alright. Yeah, let's see what we do here at 2046 here. John's banging some push-ups. Sammy boy, what's happening there on Capitol Hill today?
Top secret. What's happening on Capitol Hill today? I don't know, bro.
Nothing.
It's cold.
It's cold out there.
Yeah, it's cold out there. Might just stay posted up in the White House.
Oh, our beginning song is back on. The beginner one. GJ. Oh, damn. GJ actually closed below here. What did 30 minute do? Oh, nice. Oh, wow. I did not see this. Yeah, not bad. Not too shabby. Bearish day. Nice. NASDAQ working itself back down here. Broke the lows. Let's see, you can get a retracement or what. This thing's been running here since 3 a.m. here, since London open. So definitely needs a retracement. Yeah, GJ's got, Pound's got news here coming in, right? Or did it happen already? 10?
10:05.
Yeah.
Messages.
All right, let's see what gold wants to do here at 46 at this resistance, and yeah, I guess we're waiting on a 15 closure here. Can I beatbox? I don't know, can I? Speech at 10:05. Yeah, I guess the speech is going on right now. That's why you see all that volume. Let's check the spreads here on pound yen. Oh, wow. Just a pip. Just a pip. Are you wearing blue light glasses? I am. You just made my day. Let's go. Blue lights. I think I'm going to get a new pair too. I'm going to come out here looking like Inspector Gadget. Get some circular ones or something.
Inspector Gadget.
You guys be like, who is this guy? Oh, look at that. Rejection to 2046. Rejection. Link the blue light glasses. These are Gunner. So if you guys just go on Amazon, look up Gunner, or go on their website and you can grab them. These aren't that expensive. These ones are like $70, I think. So, yeah, there's other ones that are crazy amount. I have a pair, but I don't wear them because of how they look. But my eyes hurt so bad. Yeah, I don't care how I look in these. This isn't for looks. This is simply biohack. Yeah, I'm not trying to have all that blue light in my eyes. Yeah, I don't really care how they make me look. Even though I'm wearing them in front of, hold on. Oh, yeah. How many people are here? Oh yeah, even though I'm wearing it in front of 2,000 people, it's cool. It's fine. Oh, nice. I'm literally $5 short from passing my funded challenge. Hey, yo, let's go. Let's go. Goner. 15 closure coming. Yep, 4 minutes. Somebody's upset in the chat.
Breathe air.
Breathe air, my friend. Breathe air. That is a bleeder here. Yep. Yeah, so price all over the place.
Yeah.
All over the place here. No real true confirmations from my side here. Yeah, I have the blue light filter on my monitor here too, but I double protect my eyes. Gold's gonna get a knuckle sandwich, bro. I'm gonna get Lele back in here and beat gold up. And look, that's why we always say, like, hey, I'm not taking this trade, right? No bottom wick, no entry. Just as easy as you could have got smoked on this one, you could have got smoked on this one too. You know, had that candle turned around on you. So you rather live and trade within probability versus hopes and dreams and guesses. You know what I mean?
We got some Fed speakers talking right now.
Yeah. Fed. Wow, yeah, that's a bottom wick. See how now we came back and gave the bottom wicks on this current candle and the previous one before that. So we talk about that all the time, right? All the time. So there it is, another live illustration. Calm down, big boy. Calm down.
Breathe air.
Breathe air, my man. TT Bank Santos. Sell now. Yeah, if this candle closes above, yeah, good question. So if this candle here closes above, we can't take a buy, right? We can't take a buy because the candle closed bearish. So what do we have to wait for in order to take a buy? We have to wait for a support, right? So if we can get a new support, now our previous support was way down here. Now we'll have a new one right here, and then we could take our buys off of that. But if we close back below, then there's a high chance this wick will get filled and price will move back down. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, no. Creepy price action here today. Gold and NASDAQ just moving on up. Oh, damn. Wow. That's a bleeder. Oh, wow.
Look at that. Gold coming back down.
Goldie, Goldie. Yeah, it's a pretty steep top wick here. Oof, 15 closed here, man. Did close back in the range. We really don't have we're not in a position to really take this right off of this with this stop loss up here. So I think I'm gonna wait for the 30 here. Yeah, I'd rather not put my trust in this 15 high and wait for the 30 and use that current candle stop, if anything. You don't like the 15? Yeah, because the 15's weak confirmation. It's much weaker, right? Because if we put our stops there, they could easily get popped, right? Easily get popped. There's no real strong confirmation, in my opinion, on the 15. So if we at least get a 30 closure below, then I would be much more comfortable putting my trust in that 30 high versus that 15 high there.
$15 minute got a lot of pranks. That's true. Yeah, not the cleanest price action here today on gold. I'm playing FIFA. I used to play FIFA when I was a kid. Can you explain how you use the measuring tool to count pips? Yeah, you go to the measuring tool and you measure where you're entering or targeting. And for gold, every pair is different, but for gold, if it's 100, it's 10 pips. If it's 200, it's 20 pips. Hopefully that answers your question.
Yeah. Hey, 15-minute celery, 30 breakout. Or 30 onion, fake out. That'd be much better. Yeah, you see that 15 high broke? Can't be trusting that 15, man. The 15's that 15-year-old or 11-year-old brother. He ain't got no say.
Nice.
Yeah, I think a celery play would be awesome here. 30-minute breakout, 15-minute celery. 1 hour working on an onion as well here. Trying to create resistance.
Don't like the 4 hour.
I think that'll be good. Yeah, the 4 hour is the only thing, but the 4 hour just randomly ripped up, and that was it. Just tapped into 46 here, and now creating that resistance. Therefore, that it may decide to, you know, move back down now.
Yeah, it could.
Oh wow! Fun fact: Hansen released their own signature beer, Hops. Oh wow! I did not know that. Inspired by their song Bop. Damn.
You might be capping. No, I'm kidding. I have no idea.
Oh yeah. Oil's bleeding. Later. Oh, I think Sam has a meeting with Pal at this point.
Presidential
Let's
meeting.
see. Oh yeah, oil bleeding here. Damn. Yeah, oil should run here. You may hesitate right here for a moment, but if we break through here, then it should drive down. Should continue driving. Oil bleeding. Go fill up them vehicles. Fill them up.
What you got? 11? Oh.
What am I doing today?
What you got going? Well, yeah, what you got going on today, Nick?
You know, just a normal routine.
Yeah.
See what we
feel
got
that.
planned afterwards.
Make the plans based on the day. Got you.
Got a little something to do after the stream here in the office, and then that's it. Off to go work, off to go exercise, and hang out with the fam.
Beautiful. Sounds like a lovely day.
John usually asks that when he wants to leave.
That's not true, man.
Yeah, me too. Yeah, I'm gonna get on with my day now. Yep.
Yeah.
You ain't gotta
Oh,
try and fool us. Yeah, 15 wasn't bad, but I wasn't gonna have 47 pip stops.
No.
Later, Project Toro.
Nice.
Do you play games, console games, PlayStation, Xbox? No. Nope. I used to. Not anymore. G move. Hey Nick, your faith in the Lord has changed my perspective on things a lot. Me and my wife are strong in in our faith. It's increased over the past few months. Awesome, brother. Congrats, Hunter. That I'm here to call out trades and stuff and teach you guys trading, but that's what I'm mainly here for. W.
W. Major W.
Big dubs, Hunter. Congratulations, man.
Sam is back finally. He never leaves early. Very impressed he got rid of that habit. Yo, if I leave early, it's because there ain't gonna be no trades.
Hunter with the big W, yeah.
Damn, you had a presidential meeting, right?
Yes, sir. Top secret.
Top secret.
Have you gents seen how silver mirrors gold? Yes. Yeah, it's just because it gets treated just like an asset, just like gold. Same thing with like Bitcoin. Now they don't always move the exact same, but face at level 10, no kizzy. Taj, is that you?
Back, baby Mike. We need Sam in office, and we need him to start tweeting. Run up the volume.
That'd be like Trump 2.0. I don't know what gets the things going.
Facts, you definitely would.
I'll be like, GG boys. Make the call.
Facts.
Oh, nice. Wickfield.
You got SpongeBob on your shirt.
Damn. Bunch of hourly candles just in the range here.
It's disgusting.
Might be it,
Sam
boys.
President.
Might be it.
We'll make the global economy great again.
Yes.
It all starts with us here in the United States. Got big shoes to fill. It's best we get on this.
Big shoes. Got the juice box shirt.
Rest in peace to Charlie Munger? What? Really?
Who's that?
Warren Buffett's right-hand man.
Oh, damn.
Oh, nice. Nice, Hunter. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. Delay gratification. Set yourself up. How old are you? Yeah, the beach is the dream spot. Nice.
Yeah, that's awesome, bro.
It's beautiful to dream with your wife, ain't it?
I like that, bro. At your own spot with your loved one. Living the dream.
All right, Rob Trade. See you later, bro. Later, later. All right, 1 minute for this candle to close here. 25. Oh, nice. Yeah, bro, you got this, man. You got this.
Yeah, that's beautiful. And it's beautiful that you guys want to do it together, too.
Yeah.
It's awesome you guys are on the same page. It's a blessing.
Uh, 15 minutes, a dud.
Dude. It is.
Sloppy here today.
What's this 30 looking like?
30's trying to pull back. Looks alright. I want to see at least a 20 pip stop. At least a 15 to 20 pip top wick here to come up with these wicks over here to the left. Yeah. Oh yeah, Hunter, definitely, man, definitely. Yeah, keep pulling up. You know, I think a lot of things we talk about here on stream can help out, and not just in trading, you know, but it can help out off the desk just as much as we can help you on the desk. Yeah, that's true. We yeah, you know what? That is true. We can maybe use these previous 15. It's about 27 pips. So let's see if we can get at least a top wick to tap back in here. And then I may have sell stops here on the break of the lows. I'm 21. I think I'm late. No, you're not late.
I don't know. You mad early?
Goldie don't want us today. You're late if you're dead. Yeah, I like that. What would be my TP? My TP, I would probably look to close partial somewhere down in this range here. It's about like a 20 pip move. Yeah, I want to see if we got to re-break the high though in order for me to even consider this now.
I'm not liking that support, that 2039 and 30.
Yeah, that's
And
like
1 hour.
yeah, so unless we re-break that high again, then I don't know, man. You may get a push down here, but rejection again. 1 rejection, 2 rejection. Yeah.
Looks like the barcode strategy.
Yeah, 5's all choppy. Come on, gold. We showed up here for you today.
These sideways candles.
We tried.
Good thing there's another trade coming.
Yeah, you're right. I don't really like that support either.
No.
Yeah, we may
Only
bop
like
out of
12
here.
pips away. Yeah.
We may bop it out of here. Gotta be wise and know when to step away.
Hell yeah. Looking for the best trade today. Not trying to make money.
Yeah. You also have, just to keep in mind, there's also some pretty choppy levels right here and right here that are pretty strong in this no trade range. So I think the best bet, I think it's best to either, so here's what I'm gonna do as we get off stream here today. So I'm either gonna wait for a closure below 37, or what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait for a bullish close back above 42. Right, if we can do that after 3 rejections on the 15, then we should be good to continue up on the daily and on the 4 hour here. So that's what I'm gonna look towards if I'm looking for buys and sells here. Other than that, there's nothing. I don't think I'm gonna take sells here because I'd rather see that 4 hour break its own low and break the previous low before taking some sells. So yeah, I think that'll do it. I think that might do it here today.
Agree with you.
On this lovely, what's today, Wednesday?
Lovely,
Yeah.
beautiful
Yes.
Wednesday.
Yeah, chat, I think it's time to walk.
Beautiful.
I think it's time to walk for a bit and come back tomorrow.
Right. Well, Nick and Sam, I hope you boys have a blessed day, great day. And I'll talk to you boys later. Chat, have an amazing day.
Yes, sir. You too,
Yeah.
homie.
Sir, thank you. You too.
Enjoy it. Be
Sir.
blessed, my
Peace,
friend.
peace.
Take it easy. I'm out of
Sir.
here too.
All right,
y'all.
boys.
Peace.
Have a very wonderful day.
Later, guys.
We'll be back tomorrow for the last day of November.
Yeah. Today's
Sure.
also the last day of the month too, so it or the second to last day of the month. So that's probably why we're just chopping around here. Yeah, I think it's time to go. It's 10:30. We'll wait. I think the next set of volume may be like 11:30 or noon on the Eastern time zone. So I would just wait for it. I'm not gonna take these here. If we do end up breaking those lows, we should be good to close below 37. And if we do that, then I may take a sell based off of this 1 hour closure heading back down. So that's what I'm going to look for here today. Could be a long shot. We may just barcode it here for the rest of the day, but I'll be paying attention for like the next hour or so. All right. So you guys, hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.